Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the day trader. Let's take you out of the effects right there. Welcome all. What a day it's going to be today. We are in all kinds of trouble. The markets are crashing. I'm holding my position. This is not a time to panic. This is a time to hold on and dollar cost average on your best stocks. But be wary. A lot of stocks, a lot of companies won't be here in a year. There's no guarantee that if you buy in the dip that your company that you're investing in will be here. A lot of companies will go bust. They'll go bust because they will have no way to borrow money because their companies will be worth nothing if we continue like this. So don't think if I just keep buying the dips, it can keep going forever, because it can't. A lot of companies will not be here in a year from now. So it's very difficult times. Cryptocurrency is crashing. Bitcoin is collapsing. Michael Saylor's selling many of his Bitcoin. All sorts of stuff in the markets today. This is my position, my real money, my real portfolio. This is it. A lot of short squeezing coming. Indeed, there will be. There'll be a lot of that. The shorters always win the battle, but they always lose the war. So we know that. Let's get straight into the live trades first of all. So here's my live position. If it's your very first time here, welcome, welcome. Please click subscribe and ring the bell. If you want to come into the live chat, let us know you're here. Please do. We have many, many perks for our members. Most people who watch are members, and they get 20 times back what they put in. They'll tell you that themselves. Just ask any of the members. That's the people in the chat right now with a badge. Okay, as Paul says, only invest in solid companies. Indeed, now is a time to, if you are buying in, to buy the most solid companies. For me, what I'd be doing if I was buying in, but I'm not because I haven't got any money to spend, I would be buying in VU. That way you are in an ETF for the top 500 companies. If one fails, somebody else will pick up the slack. That's what I'd be doing right now, and that's what I will be doing when I have more money to put in, but I don't have any more money to put in right now until I get paid on YouTube. How's my favorite company doing? SPCE, let's have a look. I'm right with you, Rob. Let's go through the stocks. This is the portfolio all the way down. Vanguard S&P is down 2% to down 4%. I will buy some more when I have more cash on hand to buy it. But there we go. That's what I would be buying right now. Virgin Galactic is down at 6. That is nearly $1 less than my average. My average is $6.95. $1 less. Of course you want to load up, but it could keep going down at the moment. Of course it's tempting, but only if you've got cash on hand. If you've got cash on hand now, cash is king if you have cash on hand. Virgin Orbit, I'm actually up today, but overall I'm down 7%. Let's look at Tesla. Tesla is down this morning. Tesla is down 4% this morning, overall 5%. Not great for Tesla. I want to welcome our guests on TikTok. Good morning to all of you. If you want to be on the live show, it's youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. Links in the profile. That's where we are right now. That's where my real traders and real investors are. Come and join us. I want to welcome our guests over there on Twitch this morning. Good morning, my Twitchers. Thank you very much indeed for joining me. I want to welcome our guests on Twitter over the weekend. Thanks to Peru, our angel investor. We've managed to gain our biggest ever gains on any time, over 100 followers on Twitch this morning. In fact, I can't see. Oh, can I see them? Yes, there we go. I couldn't see this morning. Good morning to you. I see we got some guests already over there on Twitter. Come and join us here on youtube.com/The Day Trader 1. Let me give you the link of where we are right now, because we've got quite a few people there on Twitter right now. Let me give you the link so you can join us here. Let me reply to you. Here we go. Join on YouTube. There we go. And there is the link for you. There we go. There we go. Fantastic. Lovely to have you here. Welcome to all of you over there on Twitter this morning. We want to welcome our guests on LinkedIn and also Facebook as well. Good morning to all our Facebook friends over there as well. So thank you to all of you. Right, let's go through. Darren Cromney, good morning from Canada. Good morning from Canada. How are you? We've got a guest here this morning with all our members from around the world. Please put in your cities and countries. Let me welcome you, Darren. I'm from Texas, Texas in the United States. This is my studio here. Let me give you a wave. This is our day trader studio. And I was voted the world piano man. I do live music in the studio, as voted by Elton John. And also, I'm actually from the Cornwall in the United Kingdom, but my studio is here in Texas. Anyway, if everybody would please put their cities and countries in, and welcome Darren. How did you hear about us, Darren? How did you find us? Good morning from Canada. Good morning. Doing well, thanks. There we go. Wonderful stuff. You'll notice nearly everyone watching our show is a member. They get the reasons we're trying to grow the best YouTube channel in the world, and everything we do is for others. I'm here 10 hours a day in this studio, Monday to Friday, supporting people around the world. That's what we do. And ask anyone why they're a member. And Twitter, you found me on Twitter. Well, that's wonderful. Thank you so much indeed. Over the weekend, actually on Twitter, was one of our best ever days on Twitter. Thanks to our angel investor giving us some great information to share with everybody. It was absolutely amazing. So thank you very much for finding me over there on Twitter. Thank you very much indeed, and welcome to the show. Redbox is up 30%. BSV Army. Redbox, I wouldn't touch it. I'm sorry, even though it's up. It's a pump and dump. It's like all the GameStop saga. I'm sorry, I wouldn't touch that. It's very difficult. I'm just now looking for the most solid companies. Tesla, 666. Let's go through it. Vanguard is down 2%. Great show. Thank you ever so much, Darren. Lovely to have you here. Would everybody put their cities and countries in? We've got a guest here from Twitter. Just come over from Twitter. Please welcome him in. This is my position. Let me go through all my stocks right now. You can see what this is my real money, my real trades, what I really have. Okay, all my money. This is my full journey. There's no money on the side anywhere else. Virgin Galactic down 4.6. Virgin Orbit is up 0.57. Tesla is down 4.47. Rivian is down 4%. As you can see, let's go through some more. We also have Lucid is down 4.38. Arrival is down 5.23. Amazon down 4.36. Apple is down 3%. Robinhood is down 5.25. McDonald's is down 1.81. Coca-Cola is down 1.21. It's obviously a down day today. Johnson & Johnson 1.4. Google nearly 3% now. Microsoft 2.25. Look at this. Meta Platforms 2.84. SoFi 5.72. Big drops this morning in everything. This is my real money, my real shares. PayPal is down 4.26. Rolls-Royce 2.61. Walmart 1.28. Target 2%. Tesco's 2%. Canoe 1.64. This is my actual trades, my actual position, my real money, all of my real money, nothing else on the side. These are now my ETF dividend stocks. Some up, some not so much. We then go on to my latest positions on down 3.39, IPOF down 0.2. Tilray Brands, massive drops now. We're down again 4.73. Ginkgo Bioworks 7%. Huge losses now. Open Door 5%. Real estate awful. Enphase 5%. It's all across the board. 0.2. Gores Guggenheim. Joby Aviation 4%. Nearly done. 1.44 GSK. And our last one, Mark Forged, is up 1.41. Thank God for that one. What about our crypto? If you scroll down to our crypto, we have 3 positions in crypto. We have BSV. This is my BSV position, down 0.5% today. We also have some Bitcoin. Down 5%, much smaller position on Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's all I have in crypto. There's my full breakdown of my portfolio this morning. There we go. Let's get back to it. Back to the trades and time for a quick cup of tea. Dasher Dasher Pickus has just said Amazon is going to $80 a share. If it hits 80, I'll sell the other one. Oh my gosh. Let's have a look. Let's go to Amazon right now. $80 a share. Incredible. I mean, remember guys, we're getting all these dips does not mean to say many of these it's dollar cost averaging, everyone's talking about it, but the trouble is a lot of these stocks will not recover, and it'll take years if they do. So don't just think if I buy the dips I'm going to win. You can, of course you can, but be wary. That's all I'm saying. All right, click subscribe, ring the bell if you've just joined us on YouTube. Thank you very much indeed. We're coming up to our birthday in 13 days, 23 hours, 49 minutes. Smash the like button. We need 20. We got 20 watching. We need 20 likes. Our record is 31 likes on the hour. We've got 20 minutes. All right, we've got 20 watching, 16 likes. I'm going to put Mr. Mini-Me on the screen here. You ready? Okay, 1 minute. Let's get 20 likes. Share this video. This is the most honest, real, positive channel on YouTube. Everything is real. This is my real shares, my real money, all of my real money. This is my real journey. There's no money on the side. I've got no money spare. This is it. Let's get to 31 likes before the bell, before the hour. That would be a record for our show. Smash the like. There we go. 34 seconds to go. We're up to 19 likes. One more like. 20 likes. Fantastic. We're growing now this morning. We've never beaten 31 before the bell. That is great. Fantastic, everybody. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Wow, 21 likes. We'll come back to that just before the hour. Our record is 31 by the time we get to the hour. If we can do that today, it'd be incredible. Right, let's go over to our portfolio again. Now, don't forget, if you've just tuned in today, we do lace our trading and investments with music. I was voted by Elton John as the world piano man. Let me give you a wave. Hello. And during the show, my members can request a song to calm the mood. I go to the piano and do a song. We try to calm the mood and bring the stress down. We never trade with emotion. Everything here is calm. Everything here is real. Bitcoin, oh my gosh. Yeah, from the beginning, one chain wins. BSV. That's what I believe too. As you know, I have BSV in my portfolio. It's the biggest investment I have. But the trouble is, as I've been saying all weekend over on Twitter, there is too much information, misinformation around, and the world is confused. And when everyone talks about technical analysis, that is true. But now more than ever, the problems are not technical analysis. They're not fundamentals. They are human beings. People are fearful. People are greedy. People are lazy. And everybody wants to get rich for doing nothing. And no one understands anything. And everyone's buying everything. And that's the problem we've got right now. The issues we've got right now is no one understands what they own. And we need to fix that. We need to show why BSV is so different than BTC. All right, and people said to me on the weekend, we need a debate. We do need a debate, but we need a debate where we can get to the truth, not just promotion and self-belief. We need the world to believe, the world to understand. It doesn't. Where is market profit this morning? Yes, Paul B. BTC is now under 20,000 in pounds, only 10,000 to go yet. There we go. Unbelievable. Paul B's here. These are our traders. Paul B from England. How are you this morning?
Keep watching Martyn Lucas. He's a cheeky chappy from the south of England, and he's a lot of fun.
Good morning, Paul B. Lovely to have you here. BSV Army, I bet we go green today. I bet we go green today. Well, let's see. Do you think we've got to the bottom, or do you think this is the beginning? We've been saying this now. Look at my portfolio. Look at my portfolio over 6 months. This has been going on for 6 months now. And I've got the best companies, the best stocks, dollar cost averaging all the way, keeping on doing it all the time. It's getting more and more difficult though. BSV, it's all-time low. Yes, it is. BTC versus BSV debate is old. It's not old, Paul, because it's not been done properly before. It's not been done on my show before. What we get with BSV debates is BSV fans just talking amongst themselves. That's not what this is about. What I want is I want the biggest people in BSV, the biggest people in Bitcoin, all on my show live, because we owe it to people. No hype, no buy mine because I've got an interest in it. No buy what's best because I'm investing in it. We want to get to the truth. There are literally billions of people, and I say billions of people in the world that are not in crypto, that do not understand it. And everyone who's posed the argument before and the debate before has our own personal interest. That's not what we want to do here on the Day Trader. What we do here is tell the truth, and everyone. When I first bought a house and I bought double glazing, I had 4 different double glazing people around my house at the same time. They didn't know they were going to come in at the same time. I invited Anglian, I invited Everest, I invited Luna, I invited several double glazing companies around my house to give me a quote. They didn't know that they were all going to arrive at the same time. They all walked into my house, and within the first 2 minutes, 2 of them left. That told me they couldn't compete. That told me they were rubbish. 2 remained. They sat in my house. They argued it out. I worked out who was the best company and I got the best deal. That's what we need to do with crypto. And if the big players, Michael Taylor doesn't want to attend, or the people from BSV don't want to attend, we soon get to the bottom of it. We soon find out who the real deal is. And that's what it's all about. We owe it to the people who watch my channel. We owe it to people who invest. There's too much nonsense. There's too many cryptos. There are thousands of them. There should only be one. Darren Cromley says, I've been in this since chain 1. There is no research that I have not done. I'm sure you've done your research, Darren. But if the world, everyone's telling me they've done their own research, they've done everything, they've debated it all. If they had done it, and if it was successful, we wouldn't be in this situation today. If everybody understood the difference between BSV and Bitcoin, Bitcoin would be 0, BSV would be $1 million. But it ain't. People are wallowing in their own self-belief and their own self-confidence. That's why we need a debate of debates on my show, because as the world piano man, I've performed in 195 countries. I know how to read people better than anyone, because I've done it for 37 years all around every country, 195 countries. Yes, most people are new, and most people are new, Darren, are looking at the big Bitcoin YouTube channels and thinking that's what it's all about. They're only in it for themselves. What we need to do is expose all of this in a way that's not been done before, and that is the issue. That is the issue we've got right now. Everybody going, well, I'm in my little club. You got the BSV club over here, the Bitcoin club over here, and no one's banging their heads together. And that's what I want to do. It might be unpopular, but I don't care. I'm not clickbait. I'm not trying to get you to watch my channel so I earn YouTube ads. I'm just telling the truth, all right? That's why we have one of the most engaging YouTube channels on YouTube. Check our analytics. We're small, but we're growing. But everyone here watches 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours at night. More than Mr. Beast, more than BitBoy, more than Cryptos R Us, more than any of them. It's because we always tell the truth, and this is all my real money. Has BSV got utility? What is the difference? There you go. Alex Hunt, an investor in crypto, is asking, he doesn't know. And he's one of millions. One of millions. And that's what we need. Right, let's go through our stocks. We've only got 12 minutes to go before the bell goes. We need 31 likes before 8 o'clock. I beg your pardon, 8 o'clock is not when the bell goes. 8:30 is when the bell goes. We have 40 minutes before the bell goes. Time to hear from our sponsors. A quick commercial break. You can click the ad. You can skip the ad and come right back in. But I have to play it because it's how I earn 1 cent per person who watches the ads. I don't make any money hardly at all from the live shows. It's all supported by the members. So here's my ad. Here it comes. All right. Some of you saw it. Some of you saw it. Some of you didn't. That's the only way I can make literally a cent per person watching my show. That's how it works. All right. Let's have a quick sip of tea. Okay. If you've just tuned in this morning, subscribe and ring the bell and give us a thumbs up. Let us know you're here. While you're here, if you wish to, Matt Fletcher, which platform do I trade on? This is Robinhood. This is Robinhood that I use. I love Robinhood. I got investments in it as well. Obviously, why would you not invest in the portfolio that you're actually using? I like Robinhood. I love the way it works. I love the way it's very simple, straightforward, common sense, no fees. Works very, very well for me. That's Max Fletcher. Here he is. Good morning to you. The fact also is many great applications are built now. Darren Cromley is just replying to Alex Hunt. Thank you very much indeed. Okay. Now then, if you wish to keep this debate going after the live shows, remember how I'm here 2 hours in the morning, 2 hours in the afternoon, every single day. Please do continue this on Discord. We have a Discord channel, and our members get their own channels as well. So everyone grows as everyone grows together. Okay, there it is. There is the Discord. Now, if you want full access to Discord, you need to be a member of the Day Trader here on YouTube. You can get access to Discord, but you'll only see the open channels. If you want to talk to our angel investors, our secret millionaires, our exclusive content, offline to people, talk to them 24 hours a day, there is the invitation to join, to be a member. You can be a member on the Day Trader for a couple of bucks a month if you wish to be do so. And nearly everyone who watches is, and they'll tell you why. All right? Great stuff. Let's go back to our main portfolio right now. S&P is down 2.22. Virgin Galactic is down 4.6. Virgin Orbit is up 0.57. Tesla is down 4%. Rivian is down 3.63. Lucid is down 4.38. Arrival down 4.58. Everything's going sideways right now. We had a prediction this morning. Somebody said that Amazon was going to $80. Quite incredible. 111 CarMax just subscribed. Thank you very much indeed. When we reach 5,000 subscribers, we are going to have Greg Dickerson on the show. When we reach 10,000, there's a big cash giveaway. There's a cash giveaway, of course, every Friday. We give away BSV as prizes. We give away cash prizes nearly every day, but always on a Friday. All right. Thank you very much indeed for subscribing to me this morning. Thank you so much indeed. All right. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Sound like George there from Cryptos Are Us, don't I? It's a habit. I don't know why I do that. Wow, no fees. Normally they charge $9.50 on most. I look at that. I look at in Australia. Indeed, there are no fees whatsoever on Robinhood. It's fantastic. Matt Fletcher, are you from Australia? How did you find about our channel? Let us know where you're from. Let me give you a wave here from Texas, in Dallas, Texas. Welcome to you. See you there. Darren Cromley. Okay. We have a BSV channel, Darren. It is one of our members only channels though. So Darren Cromley is going to pop over to Discord and share his information. You will see about 10 different channels, but you will not see the exclusive channels because we don't have idiots in our channel. We do it so everyone's a trader, everyone's an investor, everyone is serious, everyone is prepared to invest a couple of bucks a month. And for that, we celebrate your birthdays. We give you many, many perks. You get exclusive content. The members are the ones that fund the live shows. So if you wish to become a member, you can. From a couple of bucks a month, we have bronze, silver, gold, sponsorship, and investor level. Sponsor is the cheapest level, a couple of bucks a month, and we raised over $1 million for our members here in this channel. Fundraisers. We do that for our silver members and upwards, where you keep all the money. I take nothing out, no commission. I've raised over $1 million for fundraisers and charities in my show. And our silver members get all that money. All right, so there we go. Lovely to have you here, Matt Fletcher, all the way down there from Australia. Good stuff. All right, let's get back to the trades right now. Let's see, we got 6 minutes to go. Our record is 31. on the hour, 31 likes. Let's see today if we can beat it. Tasmania, Australia, the little island at the bottom of the mainland, found you on TikTok, watch you now and again, but it's 11 at night. Oh, I'm sorry. I understand that. Well, I'm back for the closing bell in about 8 hours. So perhaps you'll catch me in the morning. So you go off to bed now, get up, and you'll hear the closing bell. And I could do Down Under by Men at Work. If you make a request, if you become a member and make a request, I'll sing for you live in the show. Down Under. All right, Africa. Oh, that's Africa, isn't it? That's not Australia. in the land down under. What's it called? What's that song called? You know the one I mean. Men at Work. Yeah, Down Under. That's right. Yeah. I'll forgetting the name of it then. Anyway. Okay. Now that we've got 5 minutes to go before the hour. My cousins are from Hobart, Tasmania. Thanks for sharing, Alex. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is here this morning. One of our sponsors. Here he is. He's got a great website. If you need websites, he's the man to talk to. Alex, Nudge It, Budget, Move It.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
There we go. Rob McLean from Scotland, one of our big investors.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
There you go. What about Bill, our war veteran from Canada?
Okay, I was sleeping one day back on August 18th, and I woke up to Martyn singing a song. He advertised that he would do birthdays. My sister's birthday was going to be on that Friday, and he obliged and made a 34-minute video of that birthday party. It was so good, I haven't left the place. I've been here ever since as the place to be. If you want to have fun, make money, enjoy yourself, join the Martyn Lucas Daytime Trader Show. And he sings a song for you. He'll do your birthdays and have a good time with everybody. New members are needed and wanted, and away we go. We have fun. We support each other.
There you go. That's what it's all about. We support each other. This channel is not my channel. It's your channel. It's all about you. And that's why we're here, to support, to share, to be honest, open, transparent. Everything you see here is real. This is my money, all my real money. No money on the side other than the $1,500 in the bank you all know about. I told you about that, which is the daily bills. That's it. Welcome everybody on TikTok. If you want to be part of our cash prize giveaway, we have cash prize giveaways most days. YouTube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. Come and join us. We've got traders from all around the world, serious investors, angel investors, secret millionaires on my channel in YouTube. You can talk to them during the show, off air, during Discord. You can be part of it. It's everything you see here is real and honest and genuine, and we give away free money all the time. Not Mr. Beast money, other people's money. I give away my own money. All right? Okay. Darren says he will check it out. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. All right. We got 2 minutes to go for the hour. We want to get 30 likes. 31 will be the record. Let's see if we... at 1 minute, I will bring up the clock, and let's see if we can do it. See if we can get 31 likes on the hour. That's our record. If we can do that, it'd be fantastic. Good morning, everybody over there on Twitter this morning. Thanks to all of you. I want to welcome our guests on LinkedIn this morning. Good morning to LinkedIn. Good morning to our friends over there on Facebook as well. Wonderful on the website. Lovely to have you all here. Welcome, welcome all. Drop your hand cash handles below. I will send you some money instant friction. Yeah, my hand cash. I'm actually talking to Alex, the creator of Hand Cash, and we are working on an update at the moment. Here is my Hand Cash. There it is, Darren, and Cash. I'm going to be promoting it here on the show when there are some updates done to my account. There is mine. So Hand Cash, we are going to make a video on it. We're going to promote it. We're going to talk about it. We can't do it yet because I can't share my app as it's not fully functional. Alex is working on that. Alex is the creator of Hand Cash, and he's a follower of mine on Twitter. And as soon as it updates, I will bring that information to you. But there you go. Darren Cromney, welcome to you. And thank you very much indeed. And We'll talk about hand cash as soon as my update has done. I will absolutely talk about it. Let me check it right now. No, I can't share it yet. It's not fully functional, and I will be as soon as I can. Good morning, people. Happy Monday. Good morning, good morning, good morning. We were just talking about hand cash. Alex, the creator, is a follower of mine on Twitter, and that's correct, Darren. That is correct. That is correct. My name. It's always, everything I do is my real name. My YouTube, my every social media I have is my real name. Absolutely. And as soon as Alex updates the app, because my app isn't fully functional at the moment, then I'll be bringing you all the news. Right, okay, it's 8 o'clock. Can we get 31 likes in this next minute? 31 is the record. You ready? Okay, here we go. Give me 31 likes right now. Here we go. Smash the like button. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. And let's see if we can get 31 likes on the hour. All right, go. 1 minute from now. The record is 31. 32 would be a record. We got 30. Two more likes, and we've got the all-time record for the hour. 30, 31. There we go. Smash the like. Just we didn't quite do it today. We didn't quite do it. Never mind. Never mind. We'll try again tomorrow. Every day we're growing. Every day we're getting stronger and bringing the information, the real information, honest information to everybody. Okay. Darren Cromney, if you do share anything onto my hand cash, please tell me you've done it. I can't check on my app because the app still isn't working for me. Alex, the creator, is actually working on it at the moment. Hand cash. I've said most tips using hand cash in 2020. Alex, I know about. Alex knows about that. Hopefully, Alex will fix the app today because I want to be able to make a video and talk about it. I was talking to Alex this morning. It hasn't yet got the update hasn't yet gone through. Vanguard S&P is down 2.39. We've got 28 minutes to go. Virgin Galactic. Everything now seems to be going sideways. Is that a bottom for today? Who knows? Tesla's going sideways, down 4%. Is it a time to buy? I'm afraid it's just too difficult now to trade because we just are expecting things to go lower. So I'm not. I'm invested enough. Bill, thank you very much. Indeed, 32. We're just 2 minutes late. We'll try again tomorrow. Kudos for talking on the BTV. It's very timely. Otto, welcome, welcome, welcome. We haven't even started yet. We're building, we've got a brand new channel. We're only a year old in 13 days, 23 minutes, 23 hours and 27 minutes. And we're hoping to be the beacon for truth and honesty. Everything here is real. This is my real money, my real trades. This is my actual real portfolio. I've got no money in the bank other than $1,500. This is the whole thing. And people need to know the difference between Ethereum, Bitcoin, and BSV. And people keep saying they do. We've done the research. They don't. If they did, we wouldn't have this problem. This is the problem. People are full of their own self-belief. Oh, I've done my research. I know about BSV. I've done my research. I know about BTC. If you do, you've not convinced the world because they are correlated. Nobody else understands other than the ones that are in it. And that's the trouble. When people are in something, they believe something 100% and they're like blinkered. And unfortunately, as long as we live in a world of greed and mistrust, then we end up going down together. Nobody wins. And that's why we've got to change things. That is me, really, also. Absolutely. Darren Cromley, I like it. Use your own real name. Totally. Darren. So too many people are like pretending to be someone else, using different names. It confuses everybody. Only 1% under Bitcoin. Listen, absolutely. This is the fact. We did a poll live on our show, and we asked everyone, do you understand what Michael Saylor is saying? and nearly 70% did not understand what Michael Saylor was saying. And then from the 70%, I did another poll. And I said, out of all of you who did not understand what Michael Saylor was saying, how many of you then went out and bought Bitcoin? And it was nearly all the people went out and bought Bitcoin. That proves that people will buy stuff they know nothing about, even though they've just admitted they did not understand what the person telling them was all about. Imagine going into a bank and applying for a mortgage, and the mortgage advisor gives you information, tells you all about your mortgage, and you've no idea what he's talking about. You've no idea how much money you're going to borrow, how much money you're going to lose. But yet you borrow the money anyway. That's exactly what people do. And that is the problem. And that's why this channel was created, to support and tell the truth so people would learn. So we're just getting started. I've invited all the BTC people and the BSV people to come together on my show. And we'll see who turns up. This is not the debate today. We're going to have a special show for it in about a week's time. We'll see who shows up. And the ones who don't show up are the ones who are scared. And the ones who are scared are not telling the truth. Simple as that. So if you don't turn up, if you're invited and you don't turn up to the most open, honest channel on YouTube, shame on you. Because if you really want to make money, do yourself a favor and get involved and stand up for what you think is right. And if you don't believe in what you're doing, you probably won't want to turn up. Because we're going to suffer fools. We're not going to suffer fools, and we're going to take no nonsense. All right? Because we're here for you. We're not here for me. We're not here for clickbait. Arrival has disappointed me. Billy TV, Arrival. Yeah, but listen, Billy TV. It's got nothing to do. It's got nothing to do with the stock itself. It's got nothing to do with Arrival. This is people. People have sold everything today. People have been selling everything for the last few months. It's got nothing to do with Arrival. It's got nothing to do with BSV. And the problem is everybody's bothered about the fundamentals and the technical stuff. No one is focusing on the people. It's the people that are selling the stocks and the assets. That's why the market's down. Michael Saylor this morning just sold a lot of his Bitcoin, BTC that is. And he said he'd never sell it. People are liars. People are just selling everything. And that's the problem. People are shorting the stock. They're trying to bring the markets down. Yes, the inflation report came out. It was high. So what do you need to do? Hold until better times. But people aren't holding. They're selling. Everyone's running to the hills. Like sheep. Sheep following sheep over the cliff. Everyone's in their own little camps telling you that BSV is the best thing. Someone's BTC is the best thing. No one's coming together. That's why we created this channel. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, it is what it is. People won't listen. All I can do is create this channel to be open and honest. And if enough people come here, then the truth will come out. And all the idiots will lose their money, and all the real people will keep their money and make more money. That's what it's all about, right? I'm 19 and got investing last year. It's been a right. I bet you. I understand, Billy TV. Totally understand that. Well, let me tell you something, Billy TV. Let me tell you something. I started around about the same time as you did. Not at 19, though. This channel was started just over a year ago. And this has been my journey. All started with $5,000. So I've done pretty well. But as you can see, I'm down since the crash came. It started just after the new year, really. End of the year. And I'm holding fast. I'm buying the dips with good companies. I'm not selling out. I'm holding on. And things will recover. But a lot of these companies that we're investing in won't be here in a year from now. There'll be some that go bust. And let me invite you as a member. You'll see nearly everybody who watches our channel is a member. Let me give you the badge right now. Let me give you the link. And I notice you're a YouTuber. I'm a full-time YouTuber. This is my full-time job. I earn my living from YouTube. Not by clickbait, not by drama, selling nonsense, by just living out my life journey. And if you wish to, as a silver member, you can be on the homepage of my YouTube channel. This is my TV studio where we do live requests, raise over $1 million for charities here in the studio. And Zach's just come in from Uganda. He's one of our members that we've raised money for. I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you're a silver member. Let me scroll down here and show you. Our members go here, and I make videos to my members. A $500 value. I make a video, and that's undervalued. I make a video, post it to your YouTube channel, promote your channel, and during my busiest periods, we'll get everyone in our show to watch, and they do. They all watch. Thank you very much indeed. If you make a request or become a member, I do a song live during the show, and you'll see all the dry ice, special effects, lasers, all the moving heads start to move, all the cameras start to move. That's if we get a request. But see, everything is moving and ready for the songs. I go over to the piano and do the live request during the show. So if you've got a loved one, a birthday, a celebration, become a member, and you'll see what happens. It's like a fairground ride, isn't it, this show? It will light up like a Christmas tree. All right. We've got just 20 minutes to go before the market opens this morning. And we want to welcome our guests over on TikTok. Thank you to all of you. Be very wary of the spoof accounts. There are over 100 pretending to be me on TikTok. They're not me because I'm always live. I have 17,000 followers. I give away my free money. I don't ask for your WhatsApp. I don't ask for your Telegram. I don't sell you training programs. We all know about that, right? Everybody's doing that now. I don't sell anybody anything. There's a membership if you wish to be a member of our channel for a couple of bucks a month, and you get back 20 times what you put in. This channel is not for me, it's for you. I've dedicated my life to serving a live channel 5 days a week, 10 hours a day to help people. We're joined by secret millionaires, angel investors, so don't be lazy. Come to YouTube and we give away free money to people that want it, that are hardworking, decent people, not lazy. Don't send me a scam email later on saying, will you give me your free money for doing nothing? All I ask is you come and join me on YouTube. It's free. Free to enter, free for all. ETH is garbage. That is according to Darren Cromney. Darren Cromney. People need to understand why it's worthless. Everyone is believing what they believe, but no one's coming together. Heisenberg. There we go. Welcome to Heisenberg this morning. Good morning to you. Development Alert Uganda. Yes, the channel has raised for us lots of funds for our charity work. Not only that, we've won several cash giveaways and individual channel members who donate to our charity work. The best YouTube channel, there you go. Helping people is what it's all about. Darren, if you help people, I've toured 195 countries as the world piano man, raised millions of dollars over my lifetime, $1 million on this show, and I've never wanted for anything because I don't think of myself. I'm here for you. And that's where other YouTubers go wrong. That's where all the people arguing in Ethereum, BTC, and Bitcoin are all going wrong. And they'll never win. Because they're all arguing and they're all defending their own ideas in their own camps. You've got to bring the people together and get rid of the liars, get rid of the scams. That's what this is about. And that's what our channel is about. There's no point in just saying, my asset is the best, your asset is rubbish. People don't believe that. People don't want to see all that stuff. Once we've got enough people, hopefully in a week from now, we'll have our debate. But it'll be a debate like no other debate. If you want to be involved, let me know. Who got my Zap this morning via Handcash app? I can't check at the moment because the app's not working. Alex is... let me show you. Some of you are saying it can't be right. It is. The Handcash app is not working. This is my Handcash app. Alex, the creator, is talking to me and they're pushing through an update to fix this. I have an account. I created an account. Right? If I click sign in, all it wants to do is sign me up. I can't log in. If I put in someone's handle there that referred me, it doesn't recognize them. If I go do it later, if I put in a handle there, I have to put in another one to create another account. And even if I try to create another account, it won't let me set up an account. I can't log in or create an account. See, nothing's working. Nothing is working. When this works, and this is how truthful we are, right? Alex is a friend of mine. He's on Twitter. He told me. He said we can't afford for it not to work for people like you. Told me that. And he's fixing it. And when he fixes it, we'll tell you. No point telling you it's great. Hand cash, the principle of hand cash is brilliant. The website is brilliant. The way it pays you money, brilliant. But it has to work on my app. Where's Ricky Gervais? Ricky Gervais. Ricky Gervais is one of my mates. Love Ricky Gervais, and it's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. Bing bong, ding dong, it's pinging its way up the tube. Who knows what I'm doing? Ricky Gervais, you ready? You ready? You want some Ricky Gervais? I'll give you Ricky Gervais. You ready? All right. You all right? Stand back from the camera. It's gonna get up close and personal. You ready? It's tinging its way up the tube. It's tinging its way up the tube. Bing bong, ding dong, it's pinging its way up the tube. I told you to get away from the camera. Told you. No makeup. As it comes. He's a good guy. Robinhood in the UK. Not yet, Billy. Billy, are you a YouTuber? Because you've got a fancy YouTube icon there. I honestly, don't trust me. Trust everybody who's a member in my channel. Become a member and see the benefits you get for your channel. If you're a silver member, I put you on the homepage and make a testimonial video. So, plus many, many more perks. Peru, I'll ring you back later on a call. All right, we got conversations going on. Martyn is our Ricky Gervais. Yeah, I am indeed. Robinhood in the UK, not yet. Not yet. They've put it on ice. It was planned for this year, but now they've put everything on ice because the market's all being down. Right, we've got 14 minutes to go. Darren Cromney. Welcome to Darren Cromney. Let me check my hand cash on the website. Let me check hand cash on the website. Because I can do that. Let's see. And I'll share with you. I will log in on the browser. The browser works fine. All right. Let's have a look. This is my account. Let me share everybody with you. Let me share it. We share everything, as you know. Right, here's my hand cash. King Peru sent me a cent this morning. See that? Look. This is my hand cash this morning. See it? I got 1 cent there from King Peru. Ram G101. Not Darren yet. Surprised it's not working. Yep. And let's just say, Darren, that I know about tech. I've got my own platform. I've created my own platform. I built this studio. I know about tech. I know about updating things and fixing things and writing code. And I know all about that stuff. So I'm not technically challenged. My education, I went all the way. So I know it's not me making a mistake or anything like that. It generally isn't working, and Alex is trying to fix it for me. Right, back to the markets right now. Why did you ask for my Darren? Why did you ask for my handle? This is my account here. Just showing you. There you go. At Martyn Lucas is my name, and there you go. Paul, okay, got it. Everyone's sharing love this morning on Handcash. Wonderful stuff. We'll do a full review on it once the app's working. Vanguard S&P is down 2.27%. Virgin Galactic is down 4.75%. Virgin Orbit. Tesla down 4%. Rivian is down 3.39. It looks like everything's bottomed. Nothing's falling continually. Maybe we've reached the bottom today. Who knows? Let's bring in the comments this morning. We're sending love around the channel this morning. Paul sending money. Peru sending money. All sending money to each other. There you go. Sergio is here. These are the days you want to buy to increase your long-term positions. May not be a good day for day swing trading. No. I totally agree with what you're saying, Sergio, as long as you've got cash on hand. I made it when I was a kid. What did you make, Billy? What did you make when you were a kid? Desktop or mobile? The app's not working, Darren. The website works fine. It's the mobile that's not working. What I'm showing you here is clearly the browser, right? This is the browser, as you can see, and this works fine. All right. He made a paper aeroplane. Yeah, he just said, I made it when I was a kid. What did he make? No point just saying, I made it when I was a kid. What's all that about? Right, just met you. I have no idea what's going on in the chat right now. Anyway, for those of you that want to be part of Discord, here is the Discord channel. Remember, non-members only get the open channels. If you want the exclusive channels, you need to be a member of the Day Trader, and then I manually upgrade you live on the show. That stops. You seem amazing to me. Thank you very much indeed. Make a request, Darren, for a song, and then you'll see what it's all about. Or become a member. If you got Darren, if you got anyone you know. If you've got anyone you know in your life that has a birthday today, if you do, as a member, I celebrate their birthday live on the show, and you get to keep the video, and you can post it onto your social media, and you get a free video for your request. We do video requests for people live in the show. Right, we're still falling. I was going to send you a bit and add you to, oh, go on then. I would love to add you as a friend, Darren. Love to get to know you. Please show us. Provide the Michael Saylor BT selling news sources, links, etc. Thanks. Yes. JK, where did I see that this morning? Yes, I will share that information with you. Yeah, Michael Saylor is selling his Bitcoin, or some of it. That was the news I read this morning. Let me share the link with you. Absolutely right. Let me have a look and see if I can find it. I will gladly sell it. I'll gladly show you. We've got a temporary halt on Celsius. You've all heard about that, right? What I will do is I will find it where I saw it and read it this morning. When I was having breakfast, I read it. And I will send it. I will post it on my Discord later on. Okay? Because I can't put my finger on it right now. But yeah, news that I saw, Michael Saylor was selling some of his Bitcoin this morning, even though he said he'd never sell it. I just used mobile. Okay, you just used your mobile. What did you do? Nothing's come through, if that's what you're talking about. There you go. This is my hand cash this morning, as you can see, from King Peru, Ram 101, but nothing from you, Darren. So it's not coming through. I can only tell you as I see it. I won't just say what somebody wants me to say to promote a product. It has to be true. It has to be honest. It has to be real. I've got nothing to gain by promoting anything to anyone. All right? I'm looking at my account here and I don't see anything. If you sent me anything to my Cash App, I've not seen it. Anyway, the markets are still falling, down 5.78. But please don't just send me free money anyway. I haven't earned it. Ask me to do something. I'll do a request for you. Virgin Galactic's down 4.75. Virgin Orbit is up 0.57. Tesla is up is down 4.26. Rivian down 3.39. Lucid 4.72, still falling. Arrival, it's pushing up now. Arrival, pushing up. Are you buying the dips this morning? Huge, huge, huge dips. So tempting, of course. So tempting, but remember these companies can go bust now. Ethereum is down 10%. BTC is down 7%. Dave Mottram is here. How are you, Dave? Welcome to you. BTC is down as well today. I'm now down 18% on my BSV. Mark Forged, one of our top tips from our angel investor, doing very well today, up 1.41. I'm still down 4.8%. GSK is also down. I'll buy Amazon if it hits 100. BTC drops another 6%. Sailor is liquidated. Well, there we go. It all just proved the whole thing. But do you know what? It doesn't prove the whole thing. This doesn't prove that BTC or anything else was a con. This doesn't. And if you tell people it does, people see straight through you and see that you're lying like everybody else is lying. All the markets are down because everyone is selling out things they don't understand. Everyone is selling everything because the markets are down. So this is not the time to come and say, right, told you BTC was a scam, told you that. No, because all you look like is you're trying to promote the one that you believe in. That's the problem right now. Everyone is trying to promote their thing, and it's wrong. That's why no one trusts anyone. Do you know, every day I give money away on my show, and 90% of TikTokers don't come in to claim it because they all think it's a scam, because there are people on TikTok pretending to be me every day, and no one trusts anyone anymore. And until we change that, the markets will keep going down because people are greedy and people only care about themselves. And that's the reality of where we are right now. Until we accept that and try to be open and honest and come together, this will continue. And right now we've got all the shorters as well, shorting the markets, trying to drive stocks down, trying to bankrupt companies. El Salvador going to get margin called. There we go. El Salvador could go bankrupt. It's not looking great for the other countries, right? Darren Cromney, did you say you sent me something on Handcash? Because I just want to say, if you did, it hasn't come through. It hasn't. Oh, there it is. There it is. There we go. Darren has sent me, thank you ever so much, Darren. He sent me $1 over there on, Handcash. I can see it. I can see it. Here it is. Let me share with you. This is how it worked. This is Darren, a new friend of ours. Just sent $1 on Cash App. There it is. Sorry, not Cash App, Handcash. There it is. You can see it come through. We will have a full breakdown and a full video on this once I get my app working. All right? I have to wait. I have to do that. I can't do it until that's working. BTC drops another 6%. Sailor's liquidated. El Salvador's going to get margin called. Yeah, feeling a bit better today, Zach. Cheers. Hear it right. Now, Dave Mottram, one of our members. How are you, Dave? He's been going through chemotherapy. Let's send some love to Dave. All our members, please get well, Dave. Copy and paste. Are you ready? Let's do it. For Dave Mottram, one of our members, been here since the beginning. He's here every day, even though he's in hospital going through chemo. Let's see it from Dave. Get well, Dave. There we go, everybody. Lovely. All our members share some love. Rob McLean. Remember, every single exchange selling BTC. Remember, every single exchange is selling BTC at the moment. There we go. Made money on Dark Trace. Great for scalping. Rob McLean's doing that. I will call you in 30 minutes in the green room. Yes, thank you very much indeed, Peru. Lovely to have you on the show. All the best, Paul. There we go. All the love's coming in for Dave Mottram this morning. Right. Coca-Cola. Doing much better. It's the bell. Here it is. The markets. Here we go. Did you make money this morning on the market? The bell has just gone. Ring, ring, ring. Here we go. There we go. And straight back down again. It went up. It went back down as fast as it came in. So do not try to scalp trade this at the moment. You'll be very lucky to beat the market. Near impossible. Buy the dips, but don't try to think you can sell it and make a profit. Thanks for the message, guys. You're welcome. Virgin Orbit all the way back down. 12% down now. Ethereum. BTC trying to push back up again. BSV trying to push back up, but everything down. Mark Forge is down only 4%. Sent you $1. Yeah, Darren, you're actually behind the stream. I just mentioned that, Darren, you're behind the stream. What you do, Darren, is you're watching me probably about 5 minutes behind. Click on your device, whether it's mobile or computer, and make sure the live is red, not grey. I think you are grey. Well, I know you're grey. You're 5 minutes behind because your comments are coming 5 minutes behind. If you click the red button, the live button, and turn it grey, you will see it. And thank you ever so much for sending me $1. I appreciate it very much indeed. Very, very kind of you. Everybody make sure that you are up to date. Very, very important. Wow, we got 40 likes this morning. Subscribe or ring the bell. Let me know you're here. Give me a thumbs up. Wow, we've got 40 likes. The record is 66 during the show. Let me just check that's right. Yes, 66. Let's see if we can get to 42. Ready? 1 minute on the clock. Let's get 42. Let's get a record today. 66 is our all-time likes. And there'll be a special surprise if we get there. If we get to 66 likes, there'll be a special surprise today live in the show, okay? $41 likes. If we break the record today, there'll be a surprise in the show. 42. Very, very nice. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. If we get to 66 today, there'll be a special surprise. I tell you what. I will do a BSV song today. Take on BSV. Aha. Who wants to hear my BSV song today? I will do it live in the show. Okay. Share this. If we reach 67 likes, which is the record, I will do BSV Take on Me live in the show. Aha. Right, live in the show. Share that. Right. I'm going to put that out on Twitter right now. Here we go. We'll do that live in the show. I'll do it right now if we get there. Yeah, let's hear it. If we get to 66, will you play the piano for a second, please? And thank you. Darren Cromney. Yes, I do that for our members, or I do that for people who tip me $10 because it pays for the copyright. You're not a member. It's a member's perk. It's a member's perk. We do all sorts of stuff for our members, and it's a perk, one of the perks. So I can't do it without you being a member or a perk or a tip. There is an invite to join. If you wish to become a member, you can become a member for a couple of bucks. That's all it is. And if you've got a birthday or somebody you want to celebrate, If I hit 67 likes on YouTube. Okay. Can my team, can my members please do me a favor? Could you all go and retweet this my tweet that I will do the Take On Me BSV song live on the show if we reach 67 likes on YouTube. Live BSV song today on YouTube if I hit 67 likes on YouTube. Okay, let me give everyone the link to where we are now, and if we get there, I'll do it. We got 46 likes right now. 21 to go. Okay. There is the link. The BSV ladies asked for it. They asked for it. There we go. The women of BSV, they asked for it. Let me share with the other screen so I can open up the tabs. Okay. Bear with me a second. Once I post this, I want everyone to retweet it. That way, we can do it. It'll happen. All right. The Take On Me BSV song. Okay. I'll do it today if we get those likes. Okay, I'm just posting it now on Twitter. There we go. Thank you for my is that coffee? Thank you very much. Just been handed a nice cup of coffee from Leah. Leah's my wife, by the way, in case you're wondering. Okay. There we go. Live BSV song today on YouTube. There it is. Okay. Tweet that. All right. If you go and share that tweet, retweet it, repost it. There it is. There. Okay. We'll do that in today's show. If we get to... there we go. Bring that back up into there. Awesome. All right. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, let's hear it. Yes, please. Well, we have to get to either a member tip me $10 or we get the record. One way or another. 21 to go. Because if I sing a song that's got copyright on it, I lose all my revenue from the video. So it's a member's perk. And also that's why I ask you to tip me $10. Otherwise, I'm literally paying to do the show. I literally lose money to do the show. And that's not a good idea, is it? Tesla. I wouldn't buy anything right now. I'm just holding back. I'm not selling anything, obviously. But... let's have a look at Bitcoin, BTC's going back down again, BSV going back down. Everything's following everything. Everyone's trying to promote their own thing, and yet everyone's losing because everyone's only interested in themselves and their own project, and that's where we're going wrong. All right, we need 20 more likes. Joby's pushing up this morning, still down. Gores Guggenheim is trading around 997. Down 9.96. Everything is down. Darren says, yes, please, do the song. Do the song. Well, you got a choice. Become a member or tip me $10, or we get 67 likes. Down 5.64. Down 2.38. 5.98 now. Virgin Galactic's under $6. I want to thank everybody, by the way. Everybody now who's preparing for the... look, for all of those of you that are supporting my Kickstarter to go to the Virgin Orbit space station in the UK and make a film, we've got 10 followers now. Can you see it here? It shares. Once you reach 10 followers, it goes public. So there we go. I'm going to launch it soon, but we're going to try and fund it. I've funded it nearly all myself. I just did a little bit extra to finish the film, okay? Because I knew this is difficult times, so I've dug deep. I've used my own money, and I just did a little bit more to finish the project. And there it is. My backers will be in the film. They'll be with me live from the event as well, via a live stream. It's going to be really, really cool. If you want to support this, here is the invitation. And I want to thank everyone, my 10 followers that have already followed the pre-launch. And as soon as we get the right number, I will announce it. But we have to do it within 1 hour to be viral on Kickstarter. And that's why I'm holding back until everybody is ready to go. Right. We're still falling this morning. Look at this. 29,000 now. We're going down. We're going down. The markets are selling out everything. Yeah. I'm selling my IPOF. Ginkgo Bioworks going down, Open Door, everything. Gores Guggenheim is just barcoding pretty much. $9.96. Hey Bill. Good morning to you. Portfolio is still down, 29,787. The S&P is going down, 2.67. Virgin Galactic. Virgin Orbit. Virgin Orbit now down 16% overall. Look at that. Some of these companies won't be around after this because if companies' share prices go down too low, they won't be able to raise funds. They'll go bankrupt. A lot of companies won't be here. Very, very difficult times. Rivian down 5.82. Lucid down 6.8. Arrival down 8%. Everything collapsing. Gores Guggenheim. Very difficult times indeed. Very difficult times, but I'm holding my positions. I think I'm going to sell Gores Guggenheim in a minute and put $1,000 back in my buying power. I've not made any money on it. I've not lost any money on it. So that's a good thing to do. Target, we've got a lot of dividends paying out soon. That's good. Ethereum. BTC is down 7.2%. Still everything's going down. Let me know when you're ready. I am ready to call. Okay, we've got Peru here, our angel investor on the line, wants to call in live to the show. So Peru, you are good to call in. Let me open up the broadcast lounge. We're going to have Peru call in and share his thoughts on the market right now. New startups, anyone? I've got a few in my portfolio actually, Darren. So Peru, you can call in right now. See, still the same situation. Everybody out for themselves. That's where we're all going wrong. Over and over again. Everyone's selling everything because everything's going down. It's not dependent on what stock you own. It's everything, right? I haven't opened my main trading portfolio. Too scared to. I wouldn't even bother. Joby going down. Gores Guggenheim. I'm going to sell my Gores Guggenheim. I'm only down $5. I'm going to take that money out. There we go. Now is the time to research other stuff. Well, my portfolio is all about technical stocks that will change the world, make the world a better place, innovative. They are high risk, but to me they're the best stocks to own. Hello, market. Good morning. Let's welcome Paul in this morning. Right, we got Peru on the line. We've got Peru on the line, and we're going to unmute him now and bring him into the show. So we're going to have a little conversation with our angel investor. Let me bring him in right now. Peru, you're live on the Day Trader. How are you today?
Happy Monday. How are you all doing today?
Happy Monday indeed. What a day. What a day. Everyone predicted this. How are you feeling today?
Well, I'm feeling great, every new investor, and a crypto investor, especially digital currency investor, get their reality check today.
Yeah.
Some people think that, our project is very strong, it always go up, yada, yada, yada. And today everyone's get the reality check. I like it,
Yeah. Yeah, I mean,
because people don't do their research when they're putting their money, and they're following some stupid YouTubers and invest their hard-earned money. I like it.
Yeah. Yeah, it's good. I agree with you. And Warren Buffett was famously said he loves red days. This is the days he buys all his stocks. This is the day he makes his money. And that's absolutely right. And reality check and people waking up realizing that because somebody on YouTube says buy this, buy that, now they're all realizing it was all a con. And I just want to, clarify that some of these big YouTubers will make 10 grand a video and they don't care what they tell you to buy. It makes no difference to them whatsoever. And it's quite
100%.
Yeah, it's quite disgusting, really. But anyway, so what are you? Oh, hello, Betty Swallocks has just arrived. Hi, Betty Swallocks, good afternoon. She says hello to Peru. Welcome to you. Darren Cromley, she says, Monday wake up. Market Profit said it would be like this. So, Peru, what's your message for everyone today?
Well, I can't tell based on my experience. This is my 4th official crypto crash.
Right.
So I see a lot of this is the 4th one that I see it. So I know exactly what I'm doing when it comes to crypto crash.
Yeah.
And always go, like, for example, when it comes to crypto crash, and this is for someone who really wants to invest right now, invest into project that produce something.
Yeah, obviously. It's obvious, isn't it?
Exactly. Go for the data because data is the fuel.
Yeah, of course.
For example, BTC doesn't have data. To me, this is just my personal opinion.
Now tell people, right? Because over the next few days and leading up to next week, when I'm going to have this live debate, and it's going to be a debate, it's going to be aggressive, it's going to be a passionate, right? Tell people, because people are confused. The average man goes, "What do you mean data? What does that actually mean?"
Well, there is a website called COINBASE. You can see actual data. Actual data, you know, a block size is contain a lot of data. So when it comes to BSV, which is following, you know, Bitcoin white paper, and some people says, you know, what is a white paper? You know, some people don't know about it. You know, what is white paper? There's some people don't care about. I don't care. What the hell is that? You know, I need a crypto. We always go up. You know, I believe in crypto. You know,
hang on a minute, Peru. Oh, hang on. I just want to jump in. We're getting a comment coming in from Uzumaki, right? And I want to bring this into the argument. Again, it's important. I'm not going to let anyone get a free ride. I'm not going to let anyone have an easy promote what they believe in. Uzumaki's just come in and said, "Oh, here we go. Time for Peru to talk about how bad BTC is because he wants to promote BSV." That's not what we're doing, right? And we want to make certain this is what we're trying to do. We're not trying to, and we will not, and I won't allow it. It's my show. I won't allow anyone to come on and say, this is great, this is rubbish, without evidence and why, okay? What we've got now, and we've proved it. We've already proved this unequivocally. We did the poll where 60-70% of people did not understand what Michael Saylor says about Bitcoin, but still bought it. We have proved that people will follow people on YouTube, follow the sheep over the cliff. That doesn't mean to say, I'm not going to say BTC is rubbish. I'm not going to say BSV is rubbish. I'm not going to say either are great. What I want to get to is the truth, because if we just promote what we believe in, everyone sees it for what it is. Self-indulgence. I'm promoting what I want to make money for me. This channel is not about that. Peru is not about that. He comes on my channel to help people, to support people, because we all want to make money. We all want to know the truth. And there are people out there who do not understand what Peru just said. Data. They go, what's data? What's data got to do with anything? I go to work. I work every day at McDonald's. I come home with $100 in my pocket. What do I do to invest for my future? What is data? So we're not just going to slam one coin over another. We're going to get to the bottom of it. And some people are going to be left looking like idiots. Some people aren't going to be able to answer the questions. Some people are going to have to walk away and look like the scam artists they are. But who's left will be the one who tells the truth. So we're going to go through it. No one's going to get away with it. Peru isn't going to get away with it. Peru is a friend, follow the channel, but doesn't mean to say he can come on and promote something just because he wants to promote it. It's not what it's about. And he knows that, and I know that, and we all know that. So just want to clarify that. So Peru, explain. I know it's difficult to explain it because it's a complex subject, but people want to know, why is data? Why is data important, and what is it?
Okay. So first of all, people says, what is data? It is a transaction. Every block, every transaction has a block. Every block has the data. So the more you use a storage, you know, if you have a hard drive, right? If you have 1 GB hard drive, and if you don't use it, then your hard drive worth nothing.
Okay.
If your hard drive a data, an actual file, an actual working file, an actual information, your license information, all this information is contained in your hard drive. It's just an example, it's your pen drive or whatever. Then your pen drive or your hard drive or your thumb drive is valuable.
Yeah.
Same thing with the
And
BSV.
let me jump in there. Let me jump in there because I get that. I think everyone would understand that. If you've got a hard drive, and I've got about 20 all sitting on my desk here right now, and they're empty, they're not worth anything, right? Just a piece of plastic. If the hard drive is full of information, it's worth something. That's great. I get what you say in the principle of that. The principle of this hard drive with information on it is worth more to me than the one without data on it. That makes sense. We understand that. An idiot, I think, could understand that. But someone's going to say to me, and I'm thinking it already, how then do you monetize that data? And what is that? I mean, that data is worth something to me because maybe it's all my pictures of my wedding or something, and I want to keep those pictures. That data on that file is worth something to me. How do you monetize and make the data investable or worth anything to somebody else? Because if it's only worth something to you, if it's only worth something to you, then it's not of any value to anybody else. So how do we get to that?
You know, the more people use it for transaction, like for example, this morning, I sent like a penny to some of those handkerchief handle. The more people use it as a micropayment,
yeah,
the more people build the application, the more value it contains. And you can actually see that the BSV is the largest blockchain in the entire planet. It's not me saying, it's not me putting the numbers. It's not me saying anything from the clouds. The data, the numbers, it's on a website. You can compare. Go to CoinDance, and you can see every single detail that you want.
Hang on. Let me jump in again. Market profit. I am not pumping BSV every day. I am not pumping any stock. Everything that I talk about, every asset, whether it be crypto, whether it be a stock, a share, whatever it might be, an ETF, whatever it might be, I have put my own money into it. I am researching it. I have made a video on it because I am buying it, right? And I'm holding it. I am not. I'm not in the fan club of BSV, right? I want to make it absolutely crystal clear. I'm in the fan club of truth and honesty. I'm not in the fan club of anyone. No one's paying me anything to do these shows. In fact, I do them for free. Okay? I am not.
Neither do I. No one paying to say the single word.
No.
Plus, you know, for example, let me tell you something. You know, only uneducated people. I'm not pointing to anyone else. If you don't know how to read a white paper, if you don't know what is a white paper, then, you know, a person like me, I don't argue with people. You know, all I can say is, okay, how long have you been in a crypto market? If somebody says 2 months or 3 months or 4 months, guess what? What I said, oh, that's explained a lot. You don't have enough knowledge about the cryptocurrency or a white paper. White paper is a blueprint. White paper is, you can consider when you go to buy a house, the house people will give you an entire map of your, you know, dimension and all kinds of stuff. When you go and get the car, they give you classification of the car.
Yep.
You know, what are you getting with this car? Everything. So when you go and buy a Mercedes-Benz with the technology package and they don't give you enough technology, it means you're not getting a technology package. It means your Mercedes, it's not considered as a technology package.
Okay.
Same thing with the Bitcoin white paper. According to Bitcoin white paper, Bitcoin has to be a faster. BTC is not fast. Bitcoin has to contain data. It has to be faster transaction. It has to do micropayment, which BTC is not doing micropayment.
Okay, hang on. Let me just hold you on that point because we're obviously split here, and this is what we're trying to get to the bottom of. There are people here who are all BTC fans, and Remember, I'm not a fan of either. I'm just a fan of the truth. That's all I'm a fan of.
Same here.
Right, exactly.
I don't care.
Exactly. I know that, Peru. I'm not suggesting that you were, but I just want to say there are people on who think BTC is the best way forward. Come on in. Come on into the debate right now. You can call into the show live right now, and you can challenge Peru. You can, and I want you to. Even though I regard Peru as a friend of mine, and even though he supports the channel, and when I say he supports the channel, he supports with giving you guys cash giveaways. Not me. I very rarely get any. The cash giveaways mainly for you guys, and that's fun to promote the channel. That's all we're doing, right? If you want to come on and you can say something to Peru, and you can catch him out. I mean, if you think that he's trying to manipulate you in any way, do it. Do it, because I want to get to the truth. If you think that what he's saying is rubbish, come on, tell him why it's rubbish, and let's have it between the two of you, and let's see who's right. Don't just sit there in the chat going, "Oh, this is rubbish. You're promoting this and that and the other." I'm not. This is an open platform. You can call in and have your say. No one is here. No one is here is sponsored, paid, or benefits either way. It doesn't bother me whether BSV goes to $1 billion or zero. I don't care. I just care about you watching this show, that you're getting the honest information. So if you want to call in, please do. There's several of you in the chat right now getting all irate. Come on in. Have a conversation with us. Carry on, Peru. I'm sorry to interrupt.
I'm talking based on the data. So, and we're not here to promote anything. I'm not getting paid, by the BSB people or something like that. No. I care less, I don't care. I don't care whether, again, as you said, if BSB goes to zero or Bitcoin goes to zero, I don't give a shit about it. The only thing that, excuse my language.
That's
the
all
only
right.
thing that I'm telling
Sometimes
you
it's required.
is based on what, Bitcoin white paper said. So, for example, when I saw people, on the Twitter, I don't have Twitter account, but I can see on Twitter people said, "Oh, BTC has a higher hash rate, but the hash rate will represent more value, and BSV has a 0.13 hash rate, but BSV is all about to die now." Since guess what? When back in the days when BTC, they're changing their core codes and put those stuff into SegWit. SegWit held BTC automatic for 75% to 80% hash rate is automatic. So it's an artificial price that BTC follow all the time. Plus, there is a big exchanges. Back in the days, they're holding BTC. They keep holding. And they are the one, this is just my opinion, they're manipulate the markets.
Yeah.
Not going to mention any people, but the people, they know what they are doing. If you're smart enough, go to, just type top 10 BTC rich list, and you can see top 10, a wallet holding a lot of BTC. When you click wallet number 3 or 4 or 5 something, you can actually see BTC going out. There's all the pattern. When it was 20,000, the same people dump it and take it to the 3,000. Yeah. And then same people buy back at the 3,000, putting them to 60,000. Yeah. And the other 60,000 people, they are same people right now, they are dumping. You can go right now and take a look. Some of the wallet, they're dumping 50,000 BTC right now, today itself.
So do that, folks. Go and see that. That's what you,
go and see. This is public knowledge. Go do your own research. Rather than you come onto the show and talk crap.
Yeah.
Writing is so easy. Talking is so easy. Research is the one. It's difficult.
Absolutely.
If you're so lazy to go on YouTube and looking at people saying BTC goes to $100,000 or Doge goes to $10, you're too lazy to believe them.
Peru,
and follow them. Guess what? too bad.
Peru, you've hit it on the head there. It is lazy. We are living until we change this culture.
Lazy people.
Lazy people. Every day. Well, I just there's two things I want to say. First of all, Darren says, I care if it goes to zero. Let me qualify what I mean when I say I don't care if the BSC, BSV, BTC, whatever, goes to zero. Let me just clarify that really clearly. I don't literally want it to go to zero for myself, because let me say, I would lose more than anyone, quite possibly. Let me tell you why. The portfolio you're looking on the screen here is my real money, my real trades, right? This is not a fake portfolio. This is my real portfolio, my real money, what I'm trading every day, right? And this is all the money I have. I've done this for the very reason to share this journey live on the Day Trader. We started nearly a year ago. 13 days will be 1 year old. Started with $5,000. I've got $1,500 in my checking account and $1,500 in my LLC account, which is paying the bills right now. That's it. I live on YouTube. My income is on YouTube. And I'm a very small channel. I don't earn very much money. It's growing every day. It's getting better. But this is all my money. If this goes to zero, I've got no savings. This is my pension. I bloody well do care if it goes to zero. But what I'm saying is individual items, individual coins or assets. It's not about me. This isn't about me. This is about you, because people watch this channel who have nothing and they want to know the truth. They want to invest. They want to save. So just so you know, that, I do care if this goes to zero, because this is my life savings, all right? And it's all of my life savings, other than $3,000 I just told you about. Carbon Craft just asked, and he's right, what crypto needs, and it's absolutely correct, is more people thinking from themselves and using common sense. We live in a world now, and I proved this. I proved it about Michael Saylor, and I have proof about this. Every single day, I get hundreds of emails from people all over the world saying, give me money. And I reply to every one of them, unless it's they're all scams, but unless it's actually a bot, if you know what I mean. But if people are asking for money, right, I reply to every email. I reply to every comment on YouTube. Me personally, I know I won't be able to do it forever, but I do. And they say, give me money. And I reply back and say, we do help people every day. We give free money every day. Our angel investors donate money. I give away my own free money every day and every Friday, always, right? All you got to do is come into my channel, watch a 1 minute, 2 minute video, right? So it helps grow the channel, and you'll be in a draw. Last week, we gave away a BSV. 90% of the people on TikTok and 99% of the people that actually email me never even reply back. They're lazy. And we live in a world today where everybody wants to be rich for doing nothing. I decided and committed a year ago to sit here 10 hours a day for you to grow the best YouTube channel in the world. Share openly, honestly, everything I have. And that's why I have one of the most engaging YouTube channels in the world. Check my analytics out. You can see it for yourself. More people watch and engage per person than any other channel. As we grow, it's getting better, right? Because you've got to tell the truth. And people are lazy. And everybody thinks, right, I've seen if I buy a Bitcoin, if I buy a this, if I buy a that, I'm going to become a millionaire and I haven't got to do anything. I just sit on my ass and buy a Bitcoin, right? That's not how this works. You have to research. You have to do your own due diligence and listen. Stop talking. And I'm talking now, right? But listen, and we're here to help you, right? But no way.
So the thing is, this channel is not what you hear. I mean, this channel is not what you really want to hear, bells and whistles all the time. This channel is based on the facts. The facts, it's outside for you to research. We try to deliver a fact based on our knowledge. And if you still don't believe, and if you see, oh, no, this guy is, just promoting their stuff, guess what? Too bad. There is more channel outside that fulfill your, desire.
Hang on. let me just jump in again, Peru, quickly. Uzumaki, I do want to highlight, I'm not being argumentative. I know that you're not. I am throwing out my thoughts. It's a good idea to challenge everyone. Absolutely, that's what I've been inviting everyone to do. I've invited and messaged the biggest people in BSV, biggest people in BTC. I've invited Richard Branson, because you know I'm going to go to the spaceport in the UK. I've invited everyone to come together. Anyone could call into this show right now. Not just Peru, everyone who's a member. And the reason why we have that is so we don't have scam bots and so on. It's only a couple of bucks to be a member, and you can call in. So we appreciate and we encourage and we want your call. So Uzumaki, I appreciate what you're saying. Market profit, I know how successful you are, and you've been spot on with this crash. Absolutely. But I am not being perceived as a pumper, because as I'm talking to Peru, I'm showing all of my stocks, all of my assets, all the things I have. This is not the BSV channel. It's not called the BSV channel. It's called the Day Trader. It's an investment channel, right? We're not just talking about BSV. We're talking about crypto right now, because crypto is crashing and the whole market is crashing. And crypto right now is one of the biggest things that has the most corruption and lies around it. It's not. I'm not pumping anything, really. I've got 11. I think I've got 11 BSV. Let me show you. It's all the money I've got. Let me have a look. I've got 11. Yes, there we go. 11. I'm not pumping it whatsoever. All right, just so you know. And I appreciate your comments. Final thoughts, Peru?
Well, I like my money. First of all, when I invest in something, I know what I'm doing. So that's the only one reason that, like this morning, I bought more BSV because I know that that's the only asset is following Bitcoin white paper. And when I see people like a great big YouTubers saying that Bitcoin BTC, I laugh on them because they don't have a knowledge, period.
No. I agree. So
that's the only one thing. I compare BSV to the early days Tesla, because Tesla used to do it's a vertical integration kind of stuff. Yeah, Tesla did. Yeah, back in those days. Yeah, and I'm saying the same thing with the BSV. That's just my opinion. Yeah, that BSV is a vertical integration to me.
Peru
is a genuine.
Thank you for calling in. I'm going to end it right there for balance. And anyone who's on the other side of the coin, who doesn't agree with Peru, who thinks BSV is the worst thing in the world, thinks all crypto is the worst thing in the world, thinks BTC is the greatest thing in the world, you are invited to call in. You have to be a member, only not because I want to make $2 out of you. I couldn't care less. It's to make sure that we don't have idiots phoning in and bots and stuff like that. So if you want to be a member, you can call in and you can have your say. And remember, nearly everyone in our channel is a member. Ask them why. They get 20 times back what they put in, all right? Everyone does. So if you want to call in, you just become a member and then call in. Have your say. You can argue what Peru has just been saying. Peru, it's always an honor to have you in the show. Thank you very much for calling in. I appreciate it very much.
Thanks, man.
You're welcome, mate. There we go. There's Peru this morning calling in our angel investor here on the channel. So if you want to have your say, let me share with you right now. It's in the Discord. Here it is, the Discord right now. Look, there is the broadcast lounge. It's open. It's open to all. As long as you're a real person, it's open, all right? If you want to call in, you can. How do you call in? Simple. All you've got to do is, first of all, you need to be a member. We don't have idiots on our channel. We don't have people just ranting and raving with no knowledge. There's the invitation to join. You get many perks. Plus, we put your YouTube channel on the homepage of my channel if you're silver and all the rest of it. If you want to go then to Discord, here's a Discord link. All links, remember, are below all my videos. We've got a challenge today to do an AHA Take on BSV song. If we hit our record of 67 likes, I'm going to do it without a tip, without a membership request. All right? Today is the biggest sell-off in history. Wow, look at that. Market Profit has sent that information in for us. DeFi is great in theory. However, it's a scam central, so much pump. And I won't read that word out. That's why people avoid altcoins, because even if you know nothing, you know BTC or ETH is safer than alts. There you go. That's Uzi Mackey's point of view this morning. The facts are there. Darren Cromney. Thank you. Cromry, I do apologise. Thanks for Peru for calling in. And then someone comes out and peels a tomato. There we go. A little bit of light comedy there from our war veteran. Robbie Cooper, we learn something new every day. We never stop learning. That's right. Thank you all. All you can do is your own research. Good stuff. Peru does my research. There we go. Thank you, Peru. Mike loved it. Lester Thomas, good morning to you. Is BSV a crypto or stock? If I see it on Wealthsimple as a stock, well, we can discuss that, go into more details, and people would say it's not even crypto. That's another discussion for another day. That's rubbish about idiots. Another idiot. That's rubbish about idiots. Another idiot. Paul B, that's rubbish about alts. Another idiot in the chat. There we go. That's what you meant to say. I appreciate that. Okay, let's hear from some of our members right now. Here we go. Here is Tom.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CNV Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
All right, we got Day Trader of the Day coming up in a minute. We got our live request for our hard take on BSV if we get to 67 likes, which will be an all-time record. Very, very quickly, you can skip the commercial break, but we have to run a commercial break. It's the only way I make any money on my YouTube channel at all. All right, so here we go. It's a commercial break. Skip of it. Some of you won't even see it. Here we go. Okay, there was the ad. Some of you saw it, some of you didn't. I should start an investment advice channel. I have been bang on this year. You certainly have. Market Profit. I encourage you to be part of our Discord. As a member, you can call in, but you never do. Please do call in. You can call in. You can also have your own channel on Discord. You already have your own channel. And if you set up your YouTube channel as a member, I will make you a video, put it on your channel. You already have all these perks. I will also put you on the homepage of the YouTube channel here and drive people to your video during the live show. I will even make you a testimonial video. I will actually make it, promote it, upload it to your channel. I do all these things for my silver members. It's all there for you. All you've got to do is take advantage of it. You already have it. I've already given it to you. Please do take advantage of it. It's there already for you. All right? So you don't even need to start from the beginning. Anyone try the augmented VR stuff? No, I've not tried that. Tell me all about it. Tell me all about it. Market Profit. Start it. Do you know 95% of YouTubers fail? 95% of YouTubers fail. Do you know why? Not committed and lazy. Do you know why I'm going to succeed? Do you know why? I spent 36 years touring as the world piano man, 195 countries all over the world. I read people, and then 1 year ago, with COVID collapsing everything, I started this channel, and I never give up. And everyone said when I started, most financial channels are gone within the first few months because they lose money and they give up. And they make an odd video here and there. I go live 10 hours a day, make hundreds of videos a week, and I will not give up. And the channel isn't about me, it's about you. Always has been and always will be. And that's how to succeed. You can't just make a YouTube channel, sit on your ass, and expect it to grow. You've got to put the work in. Some people get lucky. They do. They create a video of a cat rolling down the stairs and it goes viral. It does happen, but very rarely. Don't judge it like they're trying to say, okay, if I win the X Factor or I win, American Idol or whatever it's called, American Idol, whatever it's called. Don't focus on that. You should take out that 200 super chat bet. You should have took that super chat bet, Peru. There we go. All right. I mean, I would appreciate not being caught. I would appreciate not being caught in it. I never claim to be an all-knowing oracle, but I am, however, always open to hearing what others' thoughts are. I didn't call you an idiot, Uzi Mackey. Did anyone hear me say that Uzi Mackey was an idiot? No, never said that. Uzi Mackey's a great member of our community here regularly, and I didn't call anyone an idiot. I'm describing sentiment, a certain sentiment, as idiotic. I'm not saying anyone here is an idiot. Anyway, let's go. Let's look where we are now. We're down another 9% today. Nearly bought the dip this morning and said, no, not doing it. Not you, Martyn. Oh, good. Thank God for that. Just want to make sure. Just want to make sure. I might have to repeat myself, but that's fine. I'll do that. For the sake of integrity, we'll always do that, okay? So I apologize if I repeat myself, but I'm reading the comments down the line, and sometimes they get missed, and sometimes I repeat things. So there you go. I want to welcome our guests over on Twitter this morning. How are you? We've got guests over on Twitter. Thank you so much indeed. A number of you watching us over there on Twitter. Thank you ever so much. Come and join us here on youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Positive vibes are also part of great YouTubers. Just saying for upcoming YouTubers, yes, always be positive. Always, always, always. You know, when I set up my Kickstarter campaign for my film for Virgin Galactic, it says, make the video all about what you're doing, what's positive. Don't focus on negativity. Have to get along. Yeah, absolutely. You have to support everyone, all right? Yes, this is the start of it. I knew it would be start sometime before the 16th. Market, how far do you see it going? How far do you see it going before we get a bottom? What's your thoughts on it? Let's go back to our crypto right now. Ethereum is going back down again. It's down 10% today. Bitcoin, BTC is down 8%. Thanks again for your time and energy, Mike. It's my absolute pleasure. Absolute pleasure. Does anybody, any of my members today have a birthday? I want to go to the piano and do a song. No one's given me a super chat yet to pay for it. So it's got to be from members. If we hit the likes, I'll go to the piano right now and do our request. But you have to have a super chat and we have to have a member. Request it. 53 likes now. Just, is it 12 to go? 12 likes to go and we can do BSV Take On Me. Awesome stuff. All right. We're not trading at all today. There is no trading going on. Trading is halted like Celsius. Trading is halted on my account today. I'm just holding and waiting to buy the very bottom. And we don't know when that is. Nobody does. The downside does not really have a limit. It all depends when the Fed will support the market. I mean, that's it. When you look at this, and this is very important, right? People look at BTC and go, oh, look at that. It's cheap. It used to be $60,000. Let's think about this for a moment. Let's think about it. Forget about all the hype and all the news and all the YouTube channels. Think about this for 1 minute. You are buying a string of code in a computer for $23,000. Does that sound cheap to you? I value my money. Now you might go, well, yeah, it's cheap because it's going to go to $1 million. You are buying a string of code on a computer for $23,000. You think that can't go any lower? It can go to 1 cent. Of course it can. Everything can. The only things, this is why I don't options trade. I don't short. I don't options trade. I always buy a piece of the company. Right now, my shares are all on the floor, but I own all these companies. Yep. BTC was 300 for a couple of years. It could go all the way down to nothing. Anyway, if you just tuned in, we're trying to get to 67 likes today so we can do a BSV song. Someone's requested it on, it was requested on Twitter, but it has to get there, right? So smash the like button. Let me give 1 minute. We've got 54. Let's see if we can get to 60 in 1 minute. You ready? We only want 67 for an all-time record. Here's Mr. Mini-Me, one of my NFTs. Let's go, 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 go. Here he comes. Smash the like button. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. Hey! Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. There you go. I'm the real Satoshi, but no one believes me. I keep telling everybody I'm the real Satoshi, but no one believes me. Right. Let's have a look. Let's read some of these comments. I mean, don't software companies get valued on a bit of code on a computer? Yeah, yeah, very true. Does software, a bit of code on a computer? Yeah. It's like me, innit? I'm just a bit of code on a computer. You're watching a digital show right now. I'm in a computer. There you go. Sold 50% of my Tesla so that I can buy it back in later at a lower price. Only way I can see to make some money today. Already making $15 per share I sold. Nice one, Dave Mottram. Day trader of the day. Let's do it right now after this, shall we? Robbie, this is the first time in 14 years that the Fed is not supporting the markets with quantitative easing. In fact, they are now tightening financial conditions. It will fall until the Fed supports. He says the Bloomberg reporter, well, he's so far been right, Mike. You know, we hate to say it, but it's true. It will be all right. Fed will support stock. They have no choice. Everything is priced in. And remember, we still have a way. We still have a way from the last time crash. It goes down until the miners stop. Then done. If the Fed in fear inflation will pop, it will pop after. If the Fed step in, I fear inflation will pop off even further. Sorry, I'm not quite sure that quite right there. Peru Invest all priced in. Let's hope so. It's not priced into my portfolio right now. I'll tell you that for nothing. But there we go. Anyway, as you can see, the S&P. This is what I'm putting my money in. This is what I'm putting my money in right now. I wouldn't invest in stocks right now, individual stocks. And the reason why I'm now shifting more and more to my S&P 500, that's why 21% of my portfolio is this, because it's diversified. Companies will go bankrupt. Some companies will not be here a year from now. Selling stocks at this price is stupid. I agree with that 100%. I'm not selling stocks at all. I am buying in. I do agree, though, what Uzi Maki just said. Someone just said, if you sell now at a loss and buy back when it falls back down, if you know it's going to fall back down, that's not stupid. That's not stupid because you've taken out, mitigated those losses. If you are here and you're already down from here, okay, you're here and you sell here, and then you buy back here, you've saved all that loss in between. If you sell here and walk away and do nothing, then you've lost money, and then come back up here, you've lost money. But if you sell here, when your original was here, but you immediately buy back here, that's nothing wrong with that. That's good. I've done that before on Virgin Galactic. It's the only way you can sometimes. Agreed, Uzumaki, they can't support the stock market without letting inflation expectations run away. There we go. Everything's down. This morning I woke up and thought, right, I'm going to buy the dip. That was here. I didn't buy anything. Now we're down here. Well, remember, at some point it will pick up. But remember, many of the companies that we've got will go bankrupt. They will. Because they won't be able to raise funds. Virgin Orbit now will struggle to raise funds. If Virgin Orbit needs money today, it needs Richard Branson to come along and drop them a tip. Because if they go to the bank today and say, I want to raise money, or they want to liquidate, they want to stock split to raise money, dilute the stocks, this will go to 99 cents. Company's virtually bankrupt. That's the reality of all this. Tesla 647. Then they stick off interest levels higher, then tech stocks tank, then they bail, then inflation goes higher, rinse and repeat. It's going to go round and round and round. Ethereum is down. BTC is going down. Are we about to go under 20,000? We will all be millionaires by the end of the year, but bread will cost $100. I think you're spot on there, mate. I think you're spot on. I think he's dead right there. If we carry on like this, that's exactly right. 56. We need 11 more likes, and then we get to do Take On Me BSV live in the show. unless someone becomes a member and tips me for it. Otherwise, you don't. And well, we want to welcome our guests on Facebook this morning. Thank you very much indeed. And Twitter. And we also want to thank our guests over on TikTok. Thank you very much indeed for joining us. If you're over there on TikTok right now, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. The link's in the profile. Come and join our angel investors, secret millionaires. You can be live on the show. You can take part in it. Please, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. Serious investors and serious traders are not on TikTok. They're just scrolling through looking for naked ladies. I am not doing any naked lady routine. If you want to be part of the real traders, the real investors, where our angel investors are, secret millionaires are, youtube.com/thedaytrader1. Links in the profile. Okay. Welcome our guests on LinkedIn this morning. And I want to say hello to our viewers over there on Twitter this morning. Thank you very much indeed. Wow, we got everyone did it. You legends. I asked everyone, all my members, to retweet my tweet, and you did it. This is why we are the most engaging YouTube channel on YouTube. Look at that. You ask people to do something on this channel, and they do it. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. I asked you to retweet, and I got retweeted 7 times. Thank you very much, guys. Appreciate you very much indeed. We're showing you right now how to win, how to grow. Always tell the truth. Always be open. Always be honest. Get rid of all the nonsense. Stay the course. That's what it's all about. My only stock that is green is BRQS. Right, shall we do day trader of the day? Shall we find out who's lost the most money? Right, now make sure that everybody's up to date. So to make sure you're up to date, I'm going to run the commercial ad. Click live and make sure it turns from grey to red. If you're grey, you're behind. You want to be red. All right, so here comes the ad. Make sure you all come up to date by clicking the live button and go to red. And then we'll do day trader of the day. And let's see who is winning. Here we go. Okay. Paul says I haven't looked. You don't want to look, probably. All right. Everybody is up to date. Everybody click the red button. Okay. I am down 9.77%. Yep. $3,000 is wiped off my portfolio this morning. $3,000. $29,000. And some of these stocks will take years to recover. We know that. Nothing we can do about that now. Nothing we can do about that now. All we can do is buy the dips when it stops. You ready? I'm going to post my score. You ready? Here we go. Okay. Here's my score coming up now, and let's see who wins. All right. I am down 9.77. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. There's my score. Down 7.22. Down 5.79. Deep in the money is even. How have you done that? Got no stocks. Down 7.35. Down 9.77. Down 49% from Bill. Down 12%. Daniel Smith down 8.7%. Oh, looks like deep in the money is the winner today. Looks like Deep in the Money is the winner this morning. So we want to thank Deep in the Money for your honest trades. Thank you very much indeed. Honest, there you go. Give him a thumbs up. And everybody congratulate Deep in the Money. Share your portfolio on Discord. We'd love to learn more. Here we go. There we go. Congratulations. Uzi Maki says down 49%. What sort of diversity do you have? Yeah, Bill, down 49%. His wealth has been wiped out this morning. When will the pain stop? No one knows. No one knows. We've been taught all our lives to invest, but invest in good companies, invest in good stocks. I am moving more and more into VU. I know it's boring, but I've got 21% of my portfolio in VU. One stock. Yeah. One company. Over there on TikTok, I want to thank everyone that's followed me this morning. We have nearly 18,000 followers on TikTok now. Please be wary of the scams on TikTok. There's over 100 people impersonating me. You know they're not the real me. They don't have any followers. I've got nearly 18,000. 17.3 is it now? Something like that. I'm always live. I don't ask for your WhatsApp. I don't ask for your Telegram. And I give free money away all the time on YouTube. I do it all the time. It's free for everyone, free to enter, free for all. You don't have to sign up for a training program. In fact, I don't even have any training programs. And I never will have any training programs because it's disrespectful to my audience. You didn't come here to get a training program. You came here to be part of a family and have a community. And that's what this channel will always be. I will never sell you a training program. Never. Even if I have 20 trillion billion million YouTube followers, I still will not sell a training program because that's not why you came here. You didn't come here for the ads. You didn't come here for the promotion. You came here for the family of support and truth and honesty and make some money. That's what you came here for. So the channel will always be what you came here for. Period. Simple as. All right, we're getting a bit of a rebound. If you buy in right now, great. But remember, it will go down again tomorrow, more than likely. Because what you'll get now is scalp trading. I know, I've done it. We've all done it. Paul says, Trump 2024. What do you think? Do you think Trump's going to come back and run for election again? Who thinks that? Anybody? Okay, let's do a poll right in the live chat now. Let's do a poll. Have we hit bottom? Question mark, question mark. All right, ask the community. Have we hit bottom? If we have, you should be putting all your money on it. If you think we have. So, have we hit bottom? Meta. IonQ down 15% now. PayPal down 4%. Nope. Deeper the Money says no. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. 6 votes, 100% say no on 6. Well, in that case, if that's the case, none of you should be swing trading, scalp trading, or anything, or long-term investing. If you don't think we've hit the bottom. And with this amount of downturn, you shouldn't be buying anything. You shouldn't be buying a damn thing. Must be close. Well, you know, when you say, I mean, it's very easy to say that. You go, must be close. Well, Ethereum is $1,200. It's a long way to go to 1 cent, isn't it? That's how much it could go down by. BTC 23,000. Well, what about $1? That's 29,999. Long way to go. Still swing trade in a bear market. BSV is going down 3.52. Mark Forged, I'm down 9%. GSK, I'm down 3%. This is my overall positions now I'm talking about. Joby down 4%. Open Door. Look at this. This is the real estate market down 24%. 24%. Unbelievable. I'm going to buy that just to lower my average a minute. No food shortages haven't even kicked in yet. Much more carnage to come yet in the view. We got Ruth here, one of our BSV ladies here this afternoon. Welcome to you, Ruth. Lovely to have you on the show. Lovely to have you here. Have you joined our Discord group yet? You should be a member on the channel. I'll make a testimonial video, put it on your YouTube on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Drive everyone to your video. They'll all watch the video. I guarantee you'll gain subscribers and YouTube followers and members in a heartbeat, instantly. Guaranteed. 100%. Because everyone who watches this show always does support our other members. Always. Guaranteed. Highest engagement channel on YouTube. Fact. Go and check out the analytics. And I'm happy to help you. And here's the invitation to join and get all those perks and benefits. Do we have anybody today with a birthday for themselves or a loved one? Yesterday, today, or tomorrow, I will do a happy birthday live in the show. Wonderful to have Ruth here today. Got a channel called BSV Ladies. It's quite a fun channel, actually. I was checking it out yesterday. Very, very nice indeed. I like the fact that you've branded your thumbnails. Keep them all familiar. That's very, very important. I recommend you do some. I'm giving you my gold information here, my gold membership information. But I'll give you some for free because I like helping people. All right. You should absolutely go make shorts. You should absolutely be multi-streaming and make shorts. Thanks, I will do. I used the power of microtransactions, Steve Jobs, to boost your aha tweet. I used the power of microtransactions to boost your aha tweet. What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that? Power of microtransactions. What does that mean? What does that mean? Yeah, the fastest way to grow your channel. Well, there's a whole list. There's not one thing. There's about 50 things. I have a whole list of 50 things that I can tell you. But anyway, most important thing is commitment and providing the people what they want. In fact, provide people what they need is more than what they want. Because what they need, they'll come back for. What they want, they don't know what they want. But they know what they need, even if they don't know it. Does that make sense? Hope it makes sense. Anyway, Google is down 3. Great opportunity to buy Google right now. So yeah, I was going to buy, wasn't I? Just before I got into that, I'm not going to buy Ethereum. Not going to buy any BTC. I'm not going to buy any BSV yet because it's, again, even if you think BSV is the best thing in the world, it's being dragged down by all the other nonsense. So you know, you have to hold back. Mark Forged, no. GSK, no. Not for now. Joby. Enphase. Open Door. Open Door. Now, I've only got $30, so I'm going to buy 10 shares. That's $50, right? Because this is a great, I like what they're doing. It's awful now, but I think they'll do well in the future. So there we go. Buy 50 shares of Open Door. I like what they're doing for the future. There you go. Look at my average. It's dropped now to down 11%. That was a good idea. You don't need that much. And buy another 10. Do it like this. There we go. That's all you need. Now, it'll probably go lower. Doesn't matter. The one that you can do while you're not streaming, I mean. Polls. Hang on. We do have shorts on TikTok. We need to do some on the YouTube as well. Yeah, YouTube. When you go live, you need to be live on multi-stream as well. I can tell you how to do that as well. If you become a gold member, you can always downgrade. You get 2 hours a month live one-on-one Zoom calls with me, and I'll go through my entire studio setup, all the equipment I use, how I use it, what I do. I do it for my members. People actually pay me hundreds and hundreds of dollars for an hour. to do that, what you get for a couple of bucks, because I just give it to my members, right? That's what I do. And I'll go through the entire studio and the entire software, all the equipment of all this stuff, and you see exactly how I do it. And there you go. Pretty cool studio, right? We've raised over $1 million in this studio for our members. Fundraisers. You get a fundraiser show as well. If you're a silver member, that is. Right. Polls also add significant exposure to audiences you would not have come across. Least they used to. A poll. Where do you want to do the poll, though, Uzimaki? You mean just in the live chat like I'm doing now? We do have shorts on TikTok. We do need to do, yes, you need to do YouTube shorts. TikTok shorts, I'm actually a monetized channel now. I don't know if you are. I'm a monetized channel on TikTok, and I don't concentrate on making videos. I concentrate on going live, and that drives an audience to YouTube, because there's no money to be made on TikTok. It's pennies. I do make money on TikTok. I get paid, but it's pennies. What I do is see this TV screen here. My phone is here. They're watching my screen. TikTok is watching this screen right now. They're seeing this screen because you can't RTMP on TikTok. Oh, the ones you can do while not streaming, I mean. Oh, I see. Ah, okay. You mean a poll? Oh, you mean I know what you mean. You mean a poll in the community tab. You mean this. You mean in the community. You mean go up to community and you mean here. Run a poll. Yes. Well, that only engages your YouTube followers. It doesn't engage another audience. It's not Google searchable. It's not searchable outside of your channel. And if your members are already committed to you, which mine are, they watch every day, as you know, then that's all you need to do is go live. But going live is the hard thing to do. That's why most people don't want to do it, because it's hard work. Everybody wants the easy route, and that's why you can always win if you're not lazy. Let me have a look. So I bought some more Open Door this morning. I'd love to be able to buy. I've got $20,000 to spend, but I'm not going to do it. I'd love to buy some more S&P, but I still think it could go lower. Virgin Galactic, look at that. 10% down. Yeah. The best streaming software I use, it's not StreamYard. I've got some links for you. If you go to my all links page on my website, I've got all the streaming software that I use. And if you use my referral links, you get the discount. Because I'm actually sponsored by my streaming software companies. Seriously, it's not just a regular affiliation link. I have extra discounts to promote them. It's what I use. And there are much better platforms than StreamYard and OBS. And I'm live now to about 30 platforms. I'm live all over the world. VK, Twitch, Twitter, Discord, Instagram, Facebook pages, Facebook groups, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. Multi-websites, everywhere. And the focus is always to drive it to YouTube. Because YouTube is Google. Google is searchable. It's the only one that really counts. Everything else will be come and gone. Makes a difference. We got 5 followers, 5 viewers on Twitch this morning. Thank you much indeed. Thank you for all my Twitch followers. They're committed. Absolutely brilliant. If you're not following me yet on Twitch, please do. We need 50 followers to become an affiliate. And we're on 49. We only need one more Twitch follower to become an affiliate on Twitch. We only started that last week, 2 weeks ago, wasn't it? Here's my Twitch account. I'm here. I knew you were, Mike. My number one fan, always there. Look, there's Twitch. I want one more follower to become 50 followers, and we'll be good. Right. I am gonna do one song on the piano. We're gonna have 1 minute of chilled out. Okay, I'm not gonna sing because no one's requested a song yet. No one's requested it yet. So, and we've gained no members, so you're not having it for free. But I will go to the piano right now. So I'm going to bring up the... do we have any birthdays, by the way? I'm going to go to the piano because I'm going to chill out for 2 minutes. We need to calm down. We need to de-stress. We need to cool the market down. So we're going to go over to the piano right now. And we're going to play a bit of calming piano music. And if I get while I'm over there, if I get a super chat, I will do one of my own songs. One of my own singles if I get a super chat. All right? So we're going to turn the camera around on TikTok. There you go. You now get the back of my head. Or I can leave you there. Would you rather look at the screen? Or do you want to do, or do you want to get the back of my head? You have a choice. All right? You're welcome, Darren. Okay. This is for Darren. Darren asked, would I go to the piano? And here we go. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere, a song so fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I had write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere, a song so fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere. The songs are fresh, a new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song with my feelings so sincere, song so fresh, new beginning, like the rain in the morning. I wish that I could write a love song. There we go, a bit of music there to calm everybody down just a little bit. Hopefully that's one of my own songs. Hopefully you enjoyed that. Smash the like button, subscribe to me. Let's go back to the main trades and see where we are right now. Wow, fantastic. Thank you very much, said Darren. You can choose one of 14 voices, 7 different languages. I can sing in 7 languages, 14 voices, 650 songs. I can sound like Frank Sinatra, Michael Bublé, Michael Jackson, Louis Armstrong, Bryan Adams, Pavarotti, Andre Bocelli, Elton John. The list goes on and on and on and on. Okay, let's go back to the main trades right now and let's get on with the show. Oh, I got a super chat. Thank you very much indeed from Mike. Thank you very much indeed, Mike. Thanks for that. All right, here we go. Okay. Thank you very much indeed for the super chat, Mike. Thank you so much indeed. All the tips. It's what funds the live show, so I really do appreciate it very much indeed. All right, there we go. Let's go back to our trades. There we go. Mike, thank you. Very, very, very kind of you. Stephen Anchors, Petty Swallocks, loved it. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. Darren asked me for... It wasn't much. $2 counts. Every penny counts. I appreciate it. If I wasn't here if it wasn't for the members, if it wasn't for those couple of bucks a month each member, the live shows wouldn't exist. The live members are the members are the ones that pay for the live shows, and we wouldn't be here without you. So thank you very, very much indeed. Appreciate every penny, and it's very difficult for everyone right now. Everyone's losing money. We get it. There we go. Let's see. Did we get to the Aha song, Take on BSV yet? Right. 10 more likes to go. 10 more likes to go, and the whole studio will go mad. I might even put my Elton John jacket on that he gave me when I won the World Piano Man from Candle in the Wind. I might even do that. Get to Aha. If we get a record number of likes, which is 67. We're at 57 right now, so we're doing well. But we've got 10 more to go. BTC down 10%. Are you buying more of it? BSV collapsed at 7.22. Everything's linked together now. Everyone's following everybody. Everyone's sheep following sheep over a cliff. That's what's happening right now. No one's following their own path other than me. Stop it. Stop selling out your stocks. Stop selling everything. Human beings, go take a break, Martyn. I need to actually go to the restroom. I've been sat here now for 3.5 hours. So what I might do is take a restroom break. Not sheep, lemmings. Yeah. Yeah. Everyone, it's crazy. Look at everything. Look. Flip me. Remember, you might think some of these companies are worth buying the dips, but remember, some of these companies won't be here when all the dust settles. Some of them won't be here anymore. Thank you very much indeed. We've got 57 likes. Let's see if we can get up to 60, because 67 we get Take on BSV live in the show. Right, then bring up a 1 minute clock and let's see if we can get to 60 likes. You ready? Smash the like, subscribe button. Here it is. And 1 minute from now. You ready? Here it comes. 1 minute. Let's go. 60 likes. Let's do it. Here's Mr. Mini-Me, one of my NFTs. He's saying smash the like button. Let's bring him in. 3, 2, 1. There he is. 49 seconds. 57 seconds left. Chiggy, 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 ba, ba. Chiggy, 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 boo, boo. With the real Satoshi. Stand up. Stand up with the real Satoshi. Please stand up. Nakamoto. Oh, yeah. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it, check it, check it out. Check it out. I'm better at singing, right? Tesco's down 4% today. Look at that. $57. I don't think we're going to get 60 likes in the next few seconds. 57. Not bad. Not bad. All-time record, you know. The all-time record is 67, so it's pretty good where we are right now. I'll be taking small nibbles at this market. Continues to go down. Only high conviction, solid companies that can weather the storm. I think that's the right thing to do. I think Tesco's is a good buy right now. Great dividends. Tesco's, #1 supermarket in the UK. Yep, I just bought Tesco's there. Good dividends as well. Good dividends. There we go. I've doubled my position. Good dividends. Plus the average is lowered. Canoe. On. Great company, semiconductors. Great opportunity to get there. Tilray Brands. Open Door. Phase Energy. Oh, 10% down today. Uzi Maki says, what's oil doing today? Am I going to need to remortgage the house to get a full tank next week? It's getting more expensive. It is. Oh, 58 likes now. Right. Phase Energy, massive sell-off today. This is a great company that's done really great, and it's the future stuff as well. Solar, it's what we need. It's what will survive all of this stuff. It's down nearly 10% today. Huge discount. I've been waiting to buy this stock. I'm going to buy one. So where else can we go? We've broken 28 now, still going down. I asked everybody what the poll was. Have we hit bottom? 79% saying no out of 34 votes. Wow, look at that. So that's what, 30 votes saying no. Let's see if everybody shared my Twitter feed. Let's see who did. Wow, 30 retweets. 30 retweets this morning. Wow. Fantastic. Who was that there? Look at that. You guys are the absolute best. Look at this. I asked this morning if you would share the post, right? Look at this. Live BSV song today on YouTube. If I hit 67 likes on YouTube, look at that. 30 retweets. 30 retweets. I'm a brand new Twitter channel operator. And 30. Absolutely incredible. 30 retweets. 48 likes. Look at that. You guys are absolutely incredible. What can I say? Oh my gosh, amazing. 337. Do you know I had 200 followers before the weekend? I've done nearly 50% of my 50% increase in 2 days. Amazing. And there we go. Now, for those of you who don't know, we're waiting. It's hard times right now, so I know it's difficult for everybody. We are waiting to... Oh, another subscriber. Coming in fast now. I'm planning on a Kickstarter campaign to go to the US and the UK spaceport for Virgin Galactic, interview the star players, make a movie, and I funded most of it myself, but I can't do any more. So I've gone to Kickstarter, and we are about to launch it. And we're now, at the moment, just asking people to just click notify me on launch. That's all you got to do. And we've now gone public this morning, because once you get 10 followers, it goes public. So here it is. If you wouldn't mind, I'll put in the chat right now. Here is the Kickstarter campaign to launch a video. Now, you can be with me. My backers can be with me live on the show in the spaceports. Very, very exciting stuff. I've got 10 followers now. As soon as we get enough, I will launch it. And what I want to do is go viral on Kickstarter and get funded in 1 hour. 1 hour live on the show. All right, that is like the fastest you can do it. Get funded in 1 hour. Now, I've backed it as much as I can myself. All my savings and all that other stuff, family and friends. And then I just did a small little bit to take it over the top. So I just need 10 followers. I've just did a few more followers to pre-market follow me, and we can go live. Virgin Galactic down 10%, 18% now. Virgin Orbit, Tesla, it's just trying to come up again. I might be a doom and gloom guy Mike, but I have some compassion for elderly people struggling and losing their life savings. It's just a reality of financial markets right now. Yeah, if you are now receiving your pension, you are in so much trouble. This is red, big time, big time. Awful, awful, awful. A lot of people struggling. Market, thanks. There we go. Keep it real, guys. Keep it true. It's tough for everyone. 58 likes. We only need 9 more likes for Take on BSV live in the show. Very, very close. Right, I'm going to take a restroom break. Okay, take a restroom break, and I'll be right back in a couple of seconds' time. And we'll wrap up the show. I think. I don't know. Should we carry on? Let me do a poll. Let me end the poll there. Let me end this poll about the market crashing. Let's do a live poll. Shall I carry on? Okay. Sing Mike, sing notes. Over there on Twitch. Welcome, Super Jensen. Hello, how are you? Shall I carry on? Yes or no? I'm giving the chance right now. Over there on Twitch this morning. Thank you very much indeed. We've got 49 followers. We need one more follower on Twitch. We need to hold 50 followers. We've got 49. Right. So I'm going to put a quick commercial on. To support the channel, I would ask everyone just to watch it for a minute. Don't skip it, because I'm going to go to the restroom, take a break. And when I come back, I'll see whether you voted me to carry on or not. Okay. So I'm going to do a restroom break. Don't go away. Don't skip the ad. You might as well watch it. It's a minute long, and I'll be back in 1 minute from now. All right. I need a sign saying I'm on a break, right? I'll work on that. I'd stay for a mega pint. Okay, we're back. Let's have a look. 89%. Wow, how many votes did we get? 9 votes. Your viewers need you today, Martyn. You can calm the nerves so people don't make poor decisions selling. But make sure you get what you need to do and take your breaks. Thank you, Sergio. That's lovely. Your viewers need you today. That's why we're here. That's why I'm here. Again, thank you, Sergio, for being a member of my channel. And soon your green badge will turn gold after you've been a member for a couple of months. And I appreciate that sentiment very much. It's why I'm here. It's why we do this. People do need to understand the markets. They do need to hear from our traders and investors. They do need to not sell out right now. They understand everyone's portfolio is their own. Birthday song, Martyn. Is it your birthday, Timothy? It's your birthday today, isn't it? We had a birthday. November the 6th. June 11th. Oh, that's right, on Friday. So we're here for Timothy's birthday. Tim is one of our members. So, okay. Tim, are you on Twitter? Are you on Twitter, Tim? Let's do it right now. Let's promote it, okay? Are you on Twitter? Okay. Markets crashing. Hang on, wait for it, everybody. Markets crashing. But we are celebrating members' birthday live at live birthday. Ruth just became a member. Oh, Ruth is a silver member. Would everybody please welcome Ruth and BSV ladies? Oh, they're going to go on the homepage of my YouTube channel. I love it. But we are celebrating a member's birthday at 10:30 CT, which is 11:30 Eastern Time. Join us. Okay. Hello, Ruth. Welcome, 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 Ruth. Okay, I'll come back to you in a second, Ruth, to get you fully in and all the benefits. Okay. Okay, here it is. Now then, what I want everyone to do, just before we welcome Ruth in as a new member, we are going to do damn it, where's it gone? Darn it. Unsent tweets, that's what I meant to put, yeah. Okay, here we go. All right, okay. What we're going to do now is we are going to do a special event for Timothy, one of our members. It's his birthday, so we're going to celebrate his birthday. We're going to blow up the chat. We're going to get the chat going crazy, and here it is. I'm putting this post on Twitter, so I want everyone to retweet this post for me. So here, let me give you my. Some of you haven't got my Twitter. Most of you have. But here is my Twitter. It's the Day Trader 007, of course, because I did my Tough Mudder training, SAS training. So I'm as close to 007 as you're going to get. James Bond here than anyone else you know. Right, there you go. There is my Twitter account. If you've not yet followed me, follow me. And we want this to be retweeted. And then we want everyone to come in and wish happy birthday. And we're going to get a viral flow of chat. And you'll see how that works in a minute. Right, there it is. I'm going to post it right now. Okay, market's crashing, and we're going to promote. We're going to support our member. So tweet. There you go. I've tweeted it. I want to see it retweeted because we're going to celebrate now our member. You'll see it now refresh on the screen. Okay. Here it is. There it is. There is the tweet. Market's crashing, but we are celebrating a member's birthday at 10:30 Central Time, which is in 10 minutes from now. Let's see how many retweets we get on that and get ready to blow up the channel for Timothy. It's going to be great. Okay. There he is, Timothy. So Timothy, if you're not on Twitter, you need to get on Twitter right now and share your post, because as a member, you get your birthday song, and when it flags up as copyright, when you post it to your channel or your YouTube or your social media, I give you the copyright. I will allow you to use it. It will come up and say someone has used your video, and I'll go, that's fine. You can have it, and you can share it onto your social media, and you can put it on your YouTube channel, and it will blow up your channel, and you're very welcome. As a member of my channel, that's my gift to you. So in a minute, we are going to blow up the channel with happy birthday for Timothy. So I'm now going over to the live chat for this show. Cool. And before we do the song, we've got 10 minutes to go before we do the song. I'm going to welcome Ruth in. Now, Ruth is one of the members of the BSV Ladies. She's become a silver member. Now, as a silver member, you can now go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you request it. You have to request it and say, I'd like it, because not everybody wants it. I don't do it for everybody. You have to request it. But as a silver member, you can have it. Would you like to go on the homepage of our YouTube channel? And then I'll put you on there. Just tell me, and I'll take a note of it, and I'll do it. Straight after the show, you'll be up there straight after in the break. Okay, that's the first thing. Second thing is, as a silver member, you are entitled to a one video that I will make for you and put on your homepage of that I will put on your channel. I will do a testimonial for you. And how you do that is you make me a member, you make me a manager on your channel. Okay, this is my email that you use to add me as a member, as a manager. If you wish to, I'd love it if you could put Women on BSV channel up there, please. Okay, I'll do it. Martyn@martynlucas.com. There's my email. If you add me as a manager, all my members have done this, so it's perfectly safe. I can become a manager of your YouTube channel. That way I can, if you ever want me to, what's the word? Audit your channel and help you grow, I can do that for you. But what I will do for free of charge, it's part of the service as you're a silver member, I will make you a YouTube video, a testimonial how wonderful you all are, right? And I'll post it to the channel, and during my busiest periods, I will get everyone to watch it, and they do. All my members have had viral videos from me doing this. They will all come out of my show, live during a show, watch your video, like it, comment, subscribe. We all do. All the members of this channel support all our members. It's what we do. So if you'd like that, just make me a manager. There is the email for you. And lastly, now as a silver member, you can have your very own BSV Ladies channel on my Discord. You can have it. So as I grow, you grow. So here is my Discord channel. I'm going to give that to you now. Here it is. Again, the same thing. If you wish to have a channel, you go into the suggest a channel and you can request one. And as a silver member, you'll get it. Now, when you first go to Discord, you won't see any of the private channels. I have to manually make you a member. So if you go to Discord during our show right now, get in and then tell me your Discord handle, and I will add you manually. Because when you go in there right now, you'll only see the public channels. You won't see the members channels, the YouTube members channels. I have to make you a member. All right? So if you want that, go over there and then let me know. Okay? I will share with you the Discord, what you can see right now. We've got the birthday in 7 minutes. This must be you, Ruth, right? Is this you? I want you to confirm with me that's you. And I'm asking you to confirm it because people will set up accounts pretending to be you to access our membership benefits. Okay? So, Ruth, just confirm that is you on the screen right now. And if it is, I will manually make you a member of... Thanks, I'm Space Hopper. That's you, isn't it? Yep. I just have to be sure, because people will try and spam it. They always do. It's what people do, I'm afraid. There you go. I have now made you a member. Right, you can now see all the channels. That's me. Okay. Now you can see all these extra channels over here. And if you create a member channel, if you want a channel, go into here and put down what you want, and I will create a channel for you. You don't have to have it, but if you want one, a BSV Ladies channel, you can have your own channel here. And also at the bottom, to the broadcast lounge, you can now phone in. You can phone in live on the show, call in live like our angel investor did earlier, and you can leave a voice message with me. I can record you a little testimonial. You can say hello to everybody. You can promote your channel. You can just say hello. Do what you like. You're a member of our channel, and we'll all support you. Okay? Okay. Right, we've got 5 minutes to go. Let me see if everybody retweeted our post. Yes, you've already started to do it. Fantastic. We've got 1 retweet so far and 2 likes. Okay, retweet away if you haven't yet done it. Here is the Twitter account. If you've not already done it. And we're going to celebrate Tim's birthday. Okay. We've got 5 minutes to go. All right. We have Slack and Twitter group people can join as well if anyone's interested. We have Slack and Twitter group people can join as well. Well, Ruth, the best thing to do is if you request a channel, share all that information in your channel. Okay. What we ask our members to do is we ask everyone to keep it in their own channels. Don't go spamming everybody else's channel, because we'll remove you from the channel if you do that, even if you're a member. All right. You have a channel to promote your interests, so please do stick to that. So once you've requested your channel, Ruth, if you wish to have one, in the create a member channel, I will make one for you. All right. Okay, back to our portfolio. Thank you for the drink, Leah. The S&P is starting to come up. Virgin Galactic has tried to pop up. Virgin Orbit, down 12% today. Look at that. Don't forget, guys, this could go to zero. Some of these companies will go to zero now. Some of these companies will not be able to raise funds. They will go to zero. So be wary if you start buying in anything. Be very, very wary. Some things will go to zero. Let's check our crypto right now and see what's going on. We've got Ethereum is down 9.81. We've got BTC is down 9.36. We've got BSV try to come up but down 5%. All right. Let me get the smoke going. We've got happy birthday coming up. Get ready for happy birthday for Timothy. So what we're going to do is when we get to happy birthday, in 2 minutes time, we want a viral video for Timothy. So what we do is we go over to the channel here like this. And this is the comments. These are your comments. I want to see them rolling through with happy birthday, Timothy. So I will show you what I mean. Happy birthday, Tim. There you go. So what you do is this. I want to see the chat rolling through constantly. See that? Look. See what I'm doing? You can do that. Copy and paste. Let's have it rolling through really fast. Jung, jung, jung. Not just yet. Wait. We got another 1.25 minutes to go yet before we do it. What's going to zero so I can buy puts? Well, You've got, even what's going to zero. Okay, I'm going to tell you what to buy to destroy my own stock. That's good. Well, it's a truth, so I'm going to tell you anyway. Virgin Orbit, which I'm going to go to the spaceport later in this year with your support on Kickstarter. This one could go to zero. It's not got much money in the bank. Could go to zero because it can't raise money if the share price goes much lower. That's a fact. And it might even have to dilute shares to raise funds, and again, that won't do any good. So there are companies who will go bust with all of this. There are. No question about it. Right, we got 1 minute. We're coming up now to our birthday. Tilray Brands. I can't believe how this has collapsed so much. On. Great deal on On. We'll always need this. Tesco's. I bought Tesco's this morning. Supermarkets. You're going to need those. Whatever happens, we'll need supermarkets. Walmart. Walmart is down 2%. 1.41. I'm holding it though. It's already down. Rolls-Royce down 14% now. 5% today. Tilray's collapsed. PayPal. These are bargains right now. But these are smaller companies. People just assume that this is great and they can pick up bargains. These are not anymore the same companies. They won't be able, some of them won't survive this. I have to be fully aware of that before you invest. Think, okay, am I buying a dip or am I buying a stock which is going to zero? It's a penny stock now. Yep, it is. SoFi, Virgin on it now, down 8% today. Very, very difficult times. Microsoft down 3%. Okay, it's 1:30. So, are you ready? Is everybody watching right now? Nearly 60 likes. One more like to 60. Just 7 to go, and we can do our BSV song. Okay, here we go. Happy birthday, Tim. I want happy birthday to Tim in the chat. Rolling through. Are you ready? Here we go. Let's do it for Tim right now. Right, scroll it through. Everybody? Okay. All right. I want the chat to roll through now. Everybody wish our guest here, our member of the channel, the Day Trader, a happy birthday. I want to see the happy birthday scrolling through really, really quickly in the chat. You ready? Everybody start now, because it'll take a few seconds for it to start going. Everybody now start doing it right now. Are you ready? Come on. Let's see all those happy birthdays come in. Looking good. Here he is. This is our birthday boy today. It's Tim. You ready, Tim? Is everybody ready to go? Let's see it going right now. Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Mr. Tim. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, yeah, to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Tim. Happy birthday to you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. Everybody copy and paste. Happy birthday. Remember, if you don't do it great, when your birthday comes round, nobody will copy and paste for you. 1, 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah, 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 yeah. Happy birthday, Mr. Tim. Happy birthday to you, to you, to you, to you. Yeah. No, 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 no. Happy birthday, Tim. Fantastic. Let's get back to the trades. Happy birthday, Tim. Good stuff. Everybody did a good job. Everybody did a good job and wished you happy birthday. Very, very nice indeed. All right, let's go back to the trades. Let's go back to the main part of the studio. Let's turn off the happy birthday now then. All right. Now, don't forget, Tim, you can actually use that video, put on your social media, and you can have it copyright free. It's yours to use as you wish. All right. Okay. There you go. That's how we do that. That's Tim on his birthday. Fantastic. You guys made my day. Thank you so much. I'm literally cheesing. I am so happy for you, mate. That's what we're here to do. We're here to help and support everyone. And we love it. So if you've got a birthday, if you want to be a member, you can have a happy birthday. You need to be a member, though, to be a member. To be a member, all you got to do is click on this, be a member, and you get many, many perks. Being having a birthday is just one of over 20 reasons why you should be a member. All right, there you go. Wow, look at those fingers go, says Betty Swallocks. You like that? Very good indeed. All right. Okay. Let's go over now. We also talked about the Take On Me song. Well, we haven't got 67 likes yet. Getting very close. But we might not do it today because we haven't reached the number. We haven't had a super chat. And, we just gained over 20 subscribers in this show. There we go. We are now 3,404. When we reach 5,000, Greg Dickerson is coming back on our show. The video is shaking a bit. The video is shaking a bit. Over there on Theodore Roll, over there on Twitch, is it? Oh, yeah, I see that. Yeah, come into YouTube then. It's far better. Theodore Roll, let me give you the YouTube link. Twitch can't always handle my 4K transmission. That's what it is. Let me give you the link. Theodore. Theodore Roll. There's the YouTube link. All right. There you go. It does that sometimes on Twitch. All right. Okay, we're going to wrap up the show, I think. Shall we do Day Trader of the Day to finish up the show? And I asked everybody if they'd like me to carry on, and 89% says yes, 19 votes. All right, but I have to take a break now. I have to take a break. Thanks for coming over to join the crew, the YouTube crew. Yes, there you go. I've given you the link right now. We only needed 8 more likes to get the song for BSV, but we didn't quite make it today. So we'll try again tomorrow. The Vanguard S&P is now coming up a little bit. Virgin Galactic, 577. Look at that. What a discount. What a discount today. But, you know, it could go lower. That's the problem. Virgin Orbit. With those BABA puts. Yeah, you ready? Okay, go to your main portfolio. Let's see who wins the Day Trader of the Day. Down 8.64%. There you go, down 8.64%. So I'm going to give everybody a minute to post your scores. 60 likes now. Oh, just 61. Oh, whoa. What's going on here? 61 likes. We've got about 5 minutes before the end of the show. If we get to 67, that'll be an all-time record. We've got to do Take On Me. Take on BSV. I've been asked to do it. If we get that many followers, that many likes. Awesome stuff. Okay, so post your scores. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. I'm down 8.64. Timothy is down 18%. I'm in the lead so far. Sergio is down 8.25. Oh, Sergio goes into the lead. Thanks, Martin. Taking the kids to the dentist now. Disappointed by no take, but don't want to miss it. Well, but don't want to miss it whilst at the dentist. You won't miss it. I'll make sure you hear it. Don't worry about it. Chicky, oop, ba, ba, oop, ba, oop, diddly, bum, bum, bum. Don't worry, Ruth, you will never miss it. I'll make sure you won't miss it. Don't worry about that. We didn't get the 67 likes. We didn't get a super chat, so I gave everybody the rules. You had the chance, but no one did it. Super chat was $10. No one did it. 62. Oh, we're very close now. We only need 5 more likes. So down 8.25. Am I the winner then? 8.64. Looks like I'm the winner. Never be ashamed that you are down. That's the name of the game sometimes. Yes. It looks, we only need 5 more likes, Ruth, and I'll do it. So if you do miss it, just go back and rewind the video. It lives on the YouTube forever, right? My live feeds live forever. If you go to the homepage, I know you know how this works. Upcoming live streams, past live streams. It's right there. You'll see it right there. Look, past live streams. You won't miss it. You can't miss it. It's impossible. Down 6.2. Looks like Dave Mottram wins today. That's it. I'm going to call it there. Let's thank Dave for winning there. 6.2. Down 9%. Yep, he's definitely won. Thanks for your honest trades. Give him a big thumbs up and then give him a big round of applause. Nice one, Dave Mottram. There you go. Nice one, Dave. Shoot, dooby-dooby-doo-wah. Very good. Mine percentages keep fluctuating today. The day trade of the day is you today. Taking the extra time for the members today earns you that. The day trade of the day is you today. Taking the time, extra time for the members earned that. Thank you very much, Sergio. You're a star. Down 5.95. Yippee, Queen. Oh, very good. All right. Very, very good. Right. We got 62 likes. We didn't quite make 67. I've got to end because I got more videos coming out today for the cash prizes at the end of the week. So we've got to do that. I've got to go and have something to eat. You're a good man, Martin. I'll do my best. We got to stay here for people. You know what I mean? I've tried to carry on as long as I can, but I have to go and have a break. I have to go and eat something. Thank you very much indeed. So let's thank everybody over there on TikTok. Thanks for being here. You're absolutely brilliant. 2,700 likes this morning. Absolutely incredible. Thank you for that. Nearly 18,000. We're going for 18,000 followers now over there on TikTok. Thank you so much indeed. And yeah, what can I say? I'm blown away today. Blown away. Thank you ever so much. Everyone who gave me a hand cash tip today. That was Darren, King Peru. Thank you very much indeed. And even the creator of hand cash, Alex, gave me a tip as well. That's very nice indeed. Alex Agut, Ramg 101, King Peru, Darren, BSV address. Thanks to all of you. Queen, that's very kind of you. Thanks to Leah for the drinks. Yeah, yeah. Thanks to Leah for the drinks. Yep. All right. Now then, Have we got any more followers yet to my Kickstarter campaign? Flying to the UK and going, 11 followers. Yes, get in. Get in for our very first Kickstarter. We want to go viral on Kickstarter, and how you go viral on Kickstarter is you get funded in the first hour. So once I've got enough followers ready, this is it here, I'm going to pull the pin, and I want to make sure that we get funded in the first hour. I've put all my own money into it. I just need a small amount extra to finish it off so I can go to the UK, make the video, make the film, and then part 2 will be going to the US spaceport. All right? Get in. I won't be putting the pin yet until we've got enough followers. So here is the account if you wish to follow me on Kickstarter. There it is. I'll post it in the chat right now. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. All you got to do is click notify me on launch. I got 11 followers now. Brilliant. Brilliant. That's all we need. All we need to do is get a few more, and then I'll go live. I want to thank everyone today who's been following me over on Twitch as well. 49 followers. We need one more over there to go affiliate. Thanks to everyone who's been watching the stream, keeping it alive. Twitter. I want to thank everyone for sharing these links today. Oh, Ross Garber. Ross Garber just followed us as well. Nice one, Ross. Ross Gerber. I will sign up and follow you. Thank you, the Queen of Cell Brain. It was a pleasure. Darren, thanks for being here. We'll be back again, of course, for the closing bell. Thanks for everyone on Twitter who's watching me live right now. And thank you ever so much, everyone who retweeted it. Incredible. Thank you, Darren. Thanks for your tip, by the way. Thank you ever so much, everybody on LinkedIn. Thank you on Facebook. And awesome. I'm back home here on YouTube. We have 62 likes. We never quite made it to 67, the new record. Anyway, that's it from me. So I'm now going to leave you my final thought of the day. So my final thought of the day is, it's a tough day today. There are people out there always far worse off than yourself. There are people we support. Zach, our friends in Uganda, we've raised them money for their sewing machines. We've helped them be able to support themselves. There's always people worse off than yourself. Having toured 195 countries, I know how much pain really is. And trust me, nobody here today is in that much pain. Because if you're here today and you've got a phone, electricity, internet, you're already 99% richer than the rest of the world. That is a fact. Go and look on the websites around the world and they'll tell you, if you have fresh water, electricity, education and the internet, you're already 99% richer than everybody else. So right now your stocks are going down. Well, if you did it with your own money rather than borrowed money, again, you're already rich. You have money you don't need to survive to invest in the future. You're already better off than 99% of the people in the world. And what gives you the right to be richer and better off than anybody else? None. We're all exactly the same. Everyone is exactly the same. So there's my thought of the day. Remember, even though the markets are breaking records and one of the worst crashes in history, you're still richer than 99% of everybody else. You've got your health. You've got the day trader who'll sit with you every day, be here live every day. And unlike other YouTubers, I don't give up. I don't give in. I don't go, that's the end of it. I'm going to pack up and go home. I've been in the same business since I was 16. 37 years. I've always been in entertainment. I've never done anything else. I've always been there. I've never cancelled. Might be 1 or 2 minutes late now and again. And I have been. But other than that, I'll be here into the day. I'm not here anymore. That's it from me. I'll see you back for the closing bell. Take care of yourselves and each other.